We're live.
Perfect. Excellent, man.
We are live everywhere.
Yeah. So where are we at right now? We're basically in San Francisco live. You flown in from where?
Denver.
Yes.
Colorado.
And this is, introduce yourself there, Alex.
Oh yeah. Hey folks, I'm Alex Volkov from Weights and Biases. Joining the awesome Ray Fernando here on the live stream in the Weights and Biases San Francisco office. Come,
yeah.
I'll show you.
Yeah. Okay, cool. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, this is the Weights and Biases office. Basically, we're doing an IRL stream right now.
IRL stream. Weights and Biases. I probably should put on my yellow jacket.
Yeah, you can put it on right now.
We're hosting.
Yeah.
We're hosting a hackathon with these folks.
Yo. Let's go.
We're hosting a hackathon with the awesome Team Attention from Korea.
Yes.
This is one of them. He doesn't want to get interviewed again. Yeah.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
What's going on?
Yeah. Let me ask him a question.
Okay, cool.
This is live stream on Ray's channel. This is Ray Fernando's channel.
Yeah.
Huyang.
Huyang. Yeah.
Tell us about Team Attention.
Team Attention. Maybe 6 months ago, we are all journalists developers, and we formed a team to do anything about AI. So we formed the team, 6 months ago.
And tell us why you guys are here in San Francisco. You're based on Seoul, right?
Yeah, because in Seoul we hosted Ralphathon version 1 in February, but it was really many people really like that, like Ralphathon. So
What's unique about Ralphathon? Sorry to interrupt, but I think it's very important. What's unique about this type of thing?
Ralphathon is just in Seoul. They just make only spec, and not code. And after a few hours, and just click LARP, and then just people hands up their keyboard.
Hands off. Completely hands off.
Yeah, completely hands up.
I heard somebody told me they went to sleep while the AI agent's gonna churn code. Is that?
Yeah, is that true? It's true. In Seoul Ralphathon, people launch their agent LARPing, and they sleep. And after 8 to 9 hours, and they check their agent status. Yeah, and
That's super cool. So you guys brought it to San Francisco. All right. I think submissions are closing. Ray, you wanna?
Yeah, pretty close. Yeah, let's
you
go.
want me to take over, and then you're gonna
Sure.
go and.
Yeah. No, we could just kind of hang out.
We'll hang out over here.
Whatever.
Okay.
Okay, cool.
We should probably go and look.
Yeah, let's go take a look and see like some other.
You know what?
people's,
The dashboard's cool.
Yeah,
Let's
the
go take a look at the
dashboard.
dashboard.
Did you see that dashboard? Yeah. Let's go. Yeah. So it's happening right here live. We're at the Weights and Biases office. This is kind of a crazy environment. So people are like worried. Hey, what's up, man? What's going on? Yo, what's going on?
We finally met.
Yeah. So all the way from where?
Well, I'm from South Korea. I have lived in Vancouver, by the way. Yeah, I'm following Ray for 2 years. Oh, jeez, yay.
Yeah, people are commenting. This is another weekend hackathon. Yes.
Interesting.
Totally.
Yay.
Yeah. Cool.
Bon appetit.
Yeah, bon appetit. Let's go. Okay, it's
Dude,
popping right now.
I love the fact that you have like fans just shouting you out.
Yeah, live
while you're
audience
walking
and stuff.
through.
Let's go. It's kind of crazy around here. It's actually real.
Yeah, there's a lot of media.
Yeah, so this is we got 4 minutes left. Woo. Yo, what's going on? Yo, this is crazy. So this board here, break it down.
I will let the host. Do you have 2 minutes, or are you super busy, stressed? Okay, cool.
Okay.
Cool.
Yeah,
So we'll do it.
Yeah. Ralphers. So these are all the people who are participating in the hackathon.
This is all the projects.
Whoa.
And many of them already submitted, but many didn't submit. Right. Folks, 4 minutes. What are you doing? Come on, Resonance, Reason Forge, and Wiseman.
Right.
This is cool, right? You have to check this out.
Oh, yeah.
So this hackathon is unique in the concept of it's based on Ralph loops, and you talked about Ralph loops on your streams, I'm sure.
Yeah.
You folks who don't know what Ralph loops are. TLDR is this is a concept of agentic engineering created by Jeff Huntley.
Yes.
In which you don't actually write the code, but you write out the specs ahead of time, and you send, and there's a loop, and it goes through your specs one by one, and eventually you're supposed to just get a working product at the end of this. So this hackathon is unique in that you write the specs for the first 3 hours, and then they're supposed to send it. But sometimes things go wrong. And when things go wrong, they have all these like OpenClaw themed things, like this little clawy thing, that you have to call them and say, hey, unfortunately I had to touch my code. And so you show up like here.
Yes.
You request a lobster, and this is the list of people at which point they all requested the lobster.
And they only get 10 minutes to put their hands on the computer to make any changes. And for everyone who gets a lobster, they get penalized. So this person has requested them twice, and you're not supposed to really touch their code, right? Like you're just supposed to let them basically kind of do their thing. So this is crazy because I think the folks here are you guys submitting right now? You think you submitted?
We're not on this list here.
Okay. Oh, you're not on the list. Oh yeah, he probably just has to do a quick refresh.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah. I think they're gonna.
What team are you guys on?
We're on the team Reaper Rebels.
Okay.
So we might not be on this screen.
Okay. Hello. You guys are on a live stream. Okay. Yeah. So I think. Oh, we probably have to scroll down. It's probably like a big list, right? Team Ralphathon. Yes.
I don't know how he's.
I think.
Yeah, I don't know.
Down.
I think he's sharing two screens or something.
Oh yeah, I see. It's
Oh yeah,
probably
he's
like-
sharing the other screen.
Yeah.
How? Oh, USB capture.
Okay.
Where's that?
Whoops.
Do you see it?
I think it's like off screen.
I'm trying to go off screen.
Go right.
I'm trying.
There you go. Oh yeah. Yeah.
Oh, it's
and
just-
then
it's
scroll
just
down.
like that
Yeah.
off screen.
And then scroll down.
Oh, oof. Well, there's no way. Why? Oh, just scroll.
Yeah. I think it's live. Yeah. You're probably Yeah, you probably.
Ripper Rebels, you good? Yeah.
Submitted. Whew.
All right,
That's awesome.
we helped
Cool.
out.
So what are the requirements for the competition? The competition.
Bro, his
basically-
laptop is in full Korean, by the way. I have no idea what I'm doing.
Yeah. So the requirements for the competition is to basically just set it into a loop, build something where you can set a Ralph loop, and then they judge.
And don't touch. And if you
Hey.
touch, you have a.
There's a guy from the previous hackathon that I was at last weekend or a couple weekends ago. He's got a really cracked one. Let's go see if we can find him real quick. Yeah. That's the ingester guy that we just saw. He's from Meta. Yeah, let's see if I can. Some folks are here. Hello. Hey, how's it going on, man? Appreciate it. Yeah, the streams here. I mean, the how's it going?
No, doggy.
Hey, cool. It's a real dog, not a robot dog, right?
No.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh, look. Almost everybody submitted.
Yeah. Perfect factory missions use case. Yes.
Louder?
Yeah.
Making it louder for them.
So they made a call of like 5 minutes, and I'm gonna tell some teams to go which room you should be go inside. So you're just give us some like 5 minutes. Yeah. Thank you.
5 minutes for the judging.
Yeah.
Nice. Cool. Epic. Nice.
Live hackathon.
Yeah.
So I think
Well,
judging is going to commence.
People like your jacket, man. The yellow jacket is the drip,
Yo.
bro. Yeah.
If they like my
Weights
jacket,
and
they
bias,
would
yeah.
love my podcast, which
Podcast.
is called
Oh, yeah.
Thursday Eye.
Yep.
We go live every Thursday.
No, for real. Yeah, it's like the most real stuff that you can actually get. Thursday Eye, for sure.
I appreciate Ray. You call me out, dude, every time when I come and you like tell people about the Thursday Eye podcast.
It's the real. That's where you get the real stuff.
Yeah. I wish I had like a
AI
pin.
code. Ooh.
Yeah. I
Oh,
wish
yeah,
I
you
had
should,
like a Thursday Eye thing.
Yeah, nice video and audio. Thanks, man. Yeah, that's what we're trying to do.
Ray is the best at this, by the way. I got so many tips. My whole like podcasting career started before I met Ray, but like it went significantly better once you recommended some equipment.
Good audio is the best.
Ray's the
Yeah.
best one, and this is live.
Yeah, this
so-
is live. Yeah, this is
Yeah.
You're getting like studio quality.
There's so many people
audio,
here.
Yeah, it's cool.
I didn't know there's so many Koreans in San Francisco
Oh
until
yeah, everyone shows. Okay, so tell them about the normal rates when you have events. How many people show up usually? If you have 100 people in an event,
San Francisco is notorious. Somebody here told me that he's currently registered to 5 hackathons this weekend, and he's actually participating in 2 of them, which is insane. We host events in this office, in the Weights and Biases office, often. If we hit 42% of folks who show up after they said they were going to come, that's a great day. 42% of San Francisco is quite incredible for an event because there's like so many. The guy from Korea, Gudong, they hosted this hackathon before. He said they have 100% show rate in Korea. So basically everybody who's like saying, yes, they're going to come, they're coming.
They're cool. Locked in. The level of locked in from these people
It's crazy.
is phenomenal. His name is Alex Volkov. Thursday AI, THURSDAI. Thursday. Definitely go ahead and check it out, Phil. Yeah. Awesome, man.
I don't have the last name, but
Yeah.
Alex
Let's go see.
Volkov.
I think people are trying to pile up because we only got a couple more minutes. Let's see if we can find anyone who's willing to demo for us or something. Yeah, so there's some folks over here who are basically locked in right now and trying to submit on time. Let's see. It's getting really, really real over here. Yes, this is the big office, man. And how many people usually fit up in this thing?
I think we have, tons of folks are working from home and show up, but we can fit up to 180 people
Dang, that's
in
crazy.
this. Yeah.
Yeah, I think people are trying to record right now. We're basically just kind of go, hey, do you have a quick demo? Can you give us a quick demo? Do you have your demo up or? How many people usually fit up in this thing? Let's see if I can get my movie. Yo, so what's the exact location? It's in San Francisco, basically in the Mission area, I think. Yeah. Oh yeah, let me borrow the mic real quick. Yeah. Cool. Yo, so what you got, man?
Yo, live stream again?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm like a staple on your live stream.
Let's go. Plug your name. What's going on? What you got?
Okay. My name is Benjamin. I'm at the Ralphathon right now, and I built a agent dashboard, but more focused on the agent harness. So we created a harness that systematically outputs line by line through each iteration that's evaluated, so we get quality code. And then we have a dashboard that visualizes each step, so you know exactly what your autonomous agent's doing. So it built this in 78 minutes. It goes through specifically, we had 30 features, so listed out here. So you can change these. You can add 60 features. You can change this and build something else. So if you adjust this feature table, you can have the agent do many different things. So it went through all 30. As you can see, it failed on this one. It was a dark mode. I had it set so it's 3 iterations, and then it moves on. So it went through 3. We don't want to keep looping infinitely and wasting tokens, so it moved on. Here it shows every single Git commit and the score that it gave
crazy.
for
Look
each
at that.
one. So there's 30 commits, the timestamps, how many lines of code, and what the quality score was for each feature.
People are saying they want the repo expeditiously. Expeditiously. You're like, well, we'll see if it wins, right? You think it's going to win, chat?
So this is like, so it's codex powered. Every line written by code is 5.3. No humans.
Whoa.
No human QA. Full visibility into what your agent's actually doing. So this shows the overall timeline of all 30 commits and where it got stuck or spent more time.
Wow.
The quality score for each one. So it's 2 separate agents. The codex is coding, and then Sonnet's actually evaluating and giving a grade based off of 3 metrics.
Bro, this is crazy.
And the time
right
spent
now.
for each feature.
Damn, look at this.
So you can see 28 had 7 minutes. So you can go over here and say which one's feature 28. Loading a skeleton component with pulse animation. So it got stuck on here 7 minutes.
And so the agent, just to tell people, like this was kicked off from the very beginning. It built its own dashboard. It
so
didn't.
Codex, Sonnet, this is the breakdown of the tokens. And then the cost per feature. So you can see like it costs a lot for feature 28
Yeah.
and 19 and 3. This is where it got stuck. So you can see how much it cost. And the total cost to build this entire dashboard was 95 cents.
The whole thing, that's
Yeah.
amazing. It just ran in a loop.
Yeah.
And how long did the loop run for?
So this is the Vercel. So you can actually see each instance where it committed and what it actually committed.
Whoa.
So I
4
kicked it
hours
off
ago.
4 hours ago. This was the first commit. It failed here, but you can see it iterate through each one. So this was the first version of it.
Yeah.
Nothing's built out, so you can see here.
Wow.
So you can pick something in the middle.
So what did you tell it to do? Build a dashboard for itself so it can monitor and improve itself? So like.
Basically I told it to hit the features, right?
Oh, okay.
And this is the middle one.
Okay.
And then if you go here, this is where it ended up. So you can see each step of the Vercel commit and the live web page. So I told it to build this. So I gave it 30 feature sets.
Whoa.
And it built this. So if you change the feature set, it can build anything you can imagine.
systemically and at quality.
Did you submit it and stuff?
Yeah, I submitted.
Dang, what's the team name?
It's called Agent Forge.
Agent Forge. Okay, Agent Forge. We got to be voting for Agent Forge. Next time they go on the stage, we got to be yelling because like if you were here on my live stream for the robotics one, he was one of the top hackathon winners. So, bro, you're cooking. How do you just like casually on the weekend just show up?
I actually did a lot of research, so you got to do some research on like the tech stack.
I see.
And what it's doing. I didn't know what Ralph Loop was before this.
Bruh, are you
so
serious?
I was actually like researching at
My
night.
guy.
Yeah. What? Yeah.
You could just do things here
So
in San Francisco.
prepare.
Build things in San Francisco.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just build things.
You could just build things. Yeah, so basically, yeah, this is just a looping contest. So like you're supposed to just open your laptop, kick it off, let it go in a loop, and then come back and socialize.
Yeah.
You know, just
Not
talk to each
supposed to
other.
touch it.
Yeah, so you're not supposed to touch it, like update it in code or anything like that, because you just prompt it and leave. So yeah, is this just OpenClaw looping naturally, or are they using some type of model? Oh, it's just, yeah, it's Ralph loop, yeah, exactly.
Yeah, so it's not OpenClaw. You
Yeah.
actually just build a Ralph loop. It's basically just like a for while loop, but then you build stuff within it.
Yeah.
So I built like the Ralph loop, and then I built the auto research Karpathy loop to optimize it inside. So it's quality code.
Ooh.
Instead of just one-shotting something and not
Yeah.
understanding what it does
Right.
or seeing it break, this breaks it down every single step
Yeah.
and only moves on when it finishes the first step and it's at quality and the value and it does it. And then you can see each step. So if you don't like step 30,
Yeah.
you can say go back and build feature number 38. And so you can see the detailed visibility of each step.
That's
instead of just
crazy.
one-shotting a code and not understanding it.
Yeah, he did the
So,
mix. Yep.
yeah.
See, that's the one. That's what's up. It's the mix.
Yeah.
Bro, you cooking, man? You think you're gonna win?
I don't know.
I don't know.
See?
See, competition's
There's
thick in
some-
here. People
there's some-
flew in from all these crazy places in the world.
There's some stiff competition.
Yeah,
here
the Ralph
from all
Karpathy.
around.
See, the Ralph Karpathy hybrid is where it's at. Share the tool URL.
Yeah, so it's live on Vercel.
It's live on Vercel right now?
Yeah.
Ooh, okay.
And it's a public GitHub.
Hit him with the sauce. Oh, yeah, you got a public GitHub too? Okay.
So I mean, I don't know if you can. show
Let's
that.
see. It's called, what's the GitHub URL? Oh, Agent Forge?
Yeah. Let me see if I can copy it and lock it.
Yeah. Yeah. I don't know if you all can see that. We'll make a short URL.
Yeah, right here.
See. We'll wrap it up. Auto research, yeah.
Yeah. And then the GitHub is public, so you can check out the GitHub.
Let's see. The hub.
Right here.
Hit him with the hub. Agent Forge. So it's,
Yeah.
what's the URL? There?
GitHub.com/BSHYONG158
Yeah, go this way here.
/AgentForge.
Let's see, I gotta get this right now. Somebody copy and paste in the chat. Let's see. Can we autofocus, please? Ray Fernando. Please. Okay, here we go. GitHub.com/BSHYONG158 /AgentForge. Let's go.
Are you listening to the team name?
Okay,
Yeah.
Okay.
let's go.
What do they call?
They're calling out team names.
Let's go.
You want to check this out?
Oh, yeah, cool. Well,
Somebody showed up,
Bro,
with a
somebody-
MacBook.
this is-
and 2 screens.
let's go.
This is dope. So our office has these like big ass screens. This is why people love to to hack in our office. Like very wide screens, people love them.
Yeah,
but
my guy showed up locked in. This is what you got. This is what you're competing with here.
this is
Hackathon.
how you bring 2 screens with you to a
Yeah,
hackathon.
you bring 2
This is
screens in this like
absolutely
suitcase.
dope.
This is not a gun case. I mean, this is a squirt gun.
The guy's locked in.
This is like,
Did you clock the people with?
bro, this setup is kind of fire. Not gonna lie,
yeah.
bro. Damn.
Yeah, I should travel like this too, man.
Bruh. And one cable. One
Yeah.
cable. That's clean.
That's dope. One
Hey.
cable here, one cable here.
Hey,
Oh no,
this
this is
is-
a charger.
Okay, it's a charger. For the USB Type C.
InnoView, dude.
Sheesh.
I'm gonna-
Okay.
I'm gonna give you one of these.
This is okay. Okay. Damn. Okay. Local Karpathy still needs Spark, I think. Yeah. Oh, so they're calling out winners right now, or the?
Wait, Ray, hold up.
Okay.
How to build a startup? Idea stolen from a meme. Product vibe coded, vibe working. Users, you and your mom. Lunch day, every day. Bug tracker is full unread. I love this. I love the shirt.
Grab the beer vibes. Let's go. This shirt's fire. Awesome.
Thank
Is that
you.
really you asking for a friend? The vibes here are immaculate. Immaculate vibes.
Dude, the craziness of a hackathon is now starting.
Yeah, yeah.
They're announcing a bunch of people,
Okay, let's go see.
and now they need to like send them to different rooms.
Oh, okay. Oh, to get judges, right?
Yeah.
What's up?
So, the very interesting thing is, shout out to, there's a few folks in San Francisco that are doing hackathons. One of the best to do it is Cerebral Valley.
Yeah.
Shout out to Ivan
They
Perolo
got
and the folks.
Immaculate ones, yeah.
We ran a hackathon together with them. This process was smooth. They're doing a hackathon every weekend, so they have nailed it down. Everybody knew where to go. Everybody knew which judge was going to judge them. It was like 100% clear.
Wow.
This is a little bit of a mess, but these guys are new. This is like their third hackathon. It's still very, very, very cool.
Crazy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I think after the judges gonna finish,
Yeah.
I don't know, you're gonna stream the final presentations?
Maybe.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll see.
I think
yeah,
it's cool.
We'll see. If you guys want to see it, let me know. Yeah, I missed it. Well, people cook so far. Basically, the guy we were just talking to used a Karpathy loop to basically make
Auto
30
researcher?
He used that as the criteria for generating 30 features in
Oh, wow.
4 hours. So his app built its own dashboard. It built all the tracing for it. It built all the stuff that auto deploys to Vercel, all in that loop. And if it failed, he had this criteria that would rate itself, and then would either exit and keep going, or actually, ship the feature and stuff. Yo, man, people are hyped about your thing, the Karpathy loop. Yeah. Yeah. So what's the Agent Forge repo?
GitHub.
It's on GitHub. Yeah, if you look it up on this stream, if you're on YouTube, you can just go backwards and rewind and
You need to type in chat.
no, not right now. Yeah. Oh, maybe.
Maybe if I join your live.
Yeah, if you join the live, he's gonna join the live. He's gonna drop it in the chat. Let's go, bro.
on YouTube.
Yeah, it's on YouTube. Yeah.
YouTube,
X, but it's
X.
probably easier on YouTube.
probably use it, yeah.
Yeah, because YouTube keeps the chat.
Can
Yeah.
you show the chat on
So
the
meta.
Yeah, that's meta. He's gonna go into the chat on live stream, and then he's gonna type it in. It's gonna be really crazy. Yeah, this is actually super meta. Yeah. So right now,
Loading.
yeah, cool. Oh wow,
Okay,
dang.
chat.
Oh snap.
What's my GitHub?
Oh, yeah. Copy paste it. This is so crazy. Sick. Yeah, that way you can get that repo. That's fire, bro.
I've never been to a hackathon where people are getting punished by touching their laptop. Dude, this is crazy.
Yeah.
The thing that Ray's wearing is what you get basically after touching your laptop. There's also a few like lobster costumes floating around. I don't think anybody's wearing them right now, but
No.
it was really cool for a minute.
Yeah.
Or folks were just like wearing those things.
Yeah, posted it.
You posted it? Cool. Yeah, it should show up in 1 second. There's a little bit of delay. Let's see. Oh, you know what? URLs are banned. I should probably make you This is Bear Ben.
You have to subscribe to Ray to show up on his feed.
Yeah.
man.
Text me it,
Otherwise-
and then I'll go run it and put it in chat. I'll make you a mod, or just say hello, and then I'll make you a moderator. Okay. Yeah. I'm gonna go make him a moderator real quick. Yeah. Let's see. Appreciate you, bro. Yeah. No, we got this. Dude, this guy, he's the one that won the last hackathon, by the way. He's kind of crazy. So let's see if I can do this right now. Let's see. Let's see if I go to studio. This is crazy. All right, see, we are live right now, I think.
Atrium is a very large part of it.
Okay.
So it's basically raw, so you might be able
It's-
to apply your release.
Let's see, where's Bear Ben? Top chat, live chat. Oh, here we go. I don't see. Yeah, I'm live stream right now. What's up, man? You want to say hello?
Hey, what's up, guys?
What'd you build?
Something really complicated.
Yeah?
I have my judging right
Go.
now.
Okay, Josh, good luck, man.
Let's go.
Something really complicated, he said.
Yeah. Oh, I don't see his chat. Oh, yeah, cool. Somebody got the Agent Forge thing. The GitHub / I think it's it.
Yeah.
Perfect. Yeah, I got it. I got you, chat. Right here.
Nice.
Sick. Okay, cool. So
Ray's
y'all should see the
committed.
chat.
He's committed to this live stream, folks.
Yeah.
This took a lot of work. I would just give up and tell you, like, I'll send it later.
Yeah.
But I love Ray's commitment.
No, because y'all got to play with this because everyone's hacking right now.
Locked in.
Yeah, let's go. Okay, cool. We got this. Okay. Okay, let's get back. How many people we got in the chat? I didn't even check that out. Studio.
What's up, chat?
What's going on? Let's see. What's the liveness? Go live. Content. Live. Let's Let's see. We got how many people? 62. Let's go.
Let's go.
62 and climbing. Let's go. Okay, cool. Awesome. Sick. Okay, cool. Let's keep
62
going.
on YouTube. We have X.
Yeah, we have X. I haven't even checked that yet.
Yeah. Follow me on X as well.
Let's go. I'm doing a Kerbal Quant.
Oh, dude, somebody brought a signed
Jensen.
DGX Spark. I don't know if it's Jensen. Is this Jensen? Yeah.
Oh, no way.
Yeah, signed DGX Spark. This is the first time I see this.
Oh, snap, bro. They're not playing around here, bro.
No. Somebody brought a DGX Spark. I don't even know what this is, but I,
mean,
think
this is
our
San Francisco,
office.
Yeah, APC, right?
Yeah,
Yo.
this is from like this is down in our office.
Yo. Yeah, so we're at the Weights and Biases office. This is popping, man. Dude. Oh, he's from Ecuador, right?
Yeah.
Wait. Tell us more about your stuff, Luis.
Is this yours?
Oh yes, I just got it like last week.
Is Jensen signed it?
No, it's actually Harry from.
It's not Jensen, chat.
Okay.
Sorry about that. Sorry, chat. This is not Jensen. But who is it?
Harry from Legend.
Oh,
Lang
Harrison.
Oh,
Yeah. So Harrison from Harrison Chase from Langchain
Damn.
is signing GGX Sparks, man.
Yeah. So
Are we interrupting you in the middle of something
that's
important?
fine.
All right, Luis, you want
Did you submit? Yeah.
Live. Did you submit your project?
Yeah, I hope so.
Yeah. What do you mean? I hope so. Go check out on the board, man.
It's not there. I'm not sure.
Oh, go talk to
They
him.
need
'cause
to
it's-
scroll. The
down.
list
Yeah,
is too big.
Yeah.
Go and we'll talk to you afterwards.
Yeah. So we were talking with Luis earlier, and he's from I think Ecuador.
Ecuador.
And
My dude has been to GTC. He has the backpack. He
yeah,
has
he's
the
got
DGX
backpack,
Spark
He's got the Spark.
over here.
Yeah, this is like if you're doing the San Francisco tour. I mean
Yeah.
GTC,
You have to go.
San Francisco Hackathon. Jesus. I mean, yeah, who just casually pulls up to here?
If you fly out, there's folks here who flew down from Japan.
Yeah.
From Korea, obviously the organizers, a bunch of their friends.
Yeah.
I'm saying, dude, they brought all of Koreatown in San Francisco to
Facts.
this hackathon.
And then they showed
Everybody's
up.
here. Yeah.
Yeah, we got kimchi over here in the building.
Oh yeah, we also have
got
Korean
some
food. We usually
got bomb
serve
Korean
like
food, too.
Italian.
You're right,
but
yeah.
This is the first hackathon I've been to with some kimchi. This was great.
It was delicious.
It was dope. It was dope.
Yeah.
It was dope.
Dang. So what's going on with the vibes? Let's see what's going on.
Everybody kind of like migrated towards over there.
Yeah,
Everybody's waiting for their team name to be called
Oh,
out.
introduce that cool guy with the yellow jacket.
Bro, cool guy.
Yeah, because I forget every time every couple hours or 30 minutes or something, people come into the stream. So they're,
Oh, that's true.
Yeah.
I'm Alex Volkov. I'm an AI evangelist with Weights and Biases. I'm also a host of a show called Thursday AI, which I don't know, maybe I can add to the chat
Please.
later
Yeah.
as well.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've been covering AI for the past 3 years, every week. We
He
talk about it
lives
live.
and breathes everything.
100%.
So you can ask him about the latest. Okay, talk about the latest thing for like Gemini 3.1. Or
Okay.
the audio model.
You guys are more than welcome to go and check it out, but like the summary is the coolest thing in launch last week was Gemini Flash Live.
Yeah.
Gemini Flash Live is Google's Omni model, which means it's one model that sends input on text, audio, and video. So you can talk to it and it sees and it hears at the same time. Unlike traditional AI agents that you can talk to, which are composed of like three parts, which is ASR, automatic speech recognition in the beginning, and then an LLM part, and then a TTS, text-to-speech part. This one is one model that has all of it. Gemini Flash Live. It's in preview. The cool thing about this is it has a grounding in Google search. So basically you don't have to like have it send, the user asks something to look it up. You can hit one button and Google search is built in there and it's super quick. Basically it's like talking to Google, but Google sees what you're seeing and hears what you're saying.
Crazy.
It's crazy.
In real time. Yeah, basically.
It's very near real time. The Google search is like under 300 milliseconds.
Jeez.
300 milliseconds. You cannot get this performance by building the pipeline that I described before on your own. Wow. So it's really, really cool from Google. And what else? Jensen said AGI is here.
Yeah.
And then ArcAGI from the ARC Prize came out and said AGI is nowhere near because the benchmark they introduced, the top level LLMs get less than 1% of solving of that challenge, and humans get 100%.
That's crazy.
So Jensen, at the same week, Jensen says AGI is here. They release a new metric that says AGI is nowhere near. With Sam Altman also participating in this, AGI is coming at some point.
Yeah.
What else was interesting? That was a bunch of stuff. There's a bunch of open source. You guys can check out the podcast.
Let's see. I got Claude to get working to see my entire screen while I'm working the API call. Can't wait to give it a full test.
Yes.
Oh, wow.
The entire screen is dope. The entire
Yeah.
screen is dope.
So
The
would you
thing
give
with-
your OpenClaw access to this Gemini Live thing so like
So-
you can punch out? How would you integrate this?
Have you talked about the Richie Mini robot from Hugging Face?
No.
Okay, so Hugging Face has this like they bought Poland Robotics, and Poland Robotics has this like super cute robot kit that you can assemble yourself at home. It's really cute. There's like animations, whatever. Building the Gemini Live thing into the robot, like it has actual eyes with webcams. That's dope because then it can react. Gemini can also tool call a bunch of stuff, and the problem with the Agentic stuff is that, like humans, you can interrupt me, I can interrupt you.
Yeah.
AI agents, if you guys talk to like any voice AI agents, they get lost if like you interrupt them in the middle. Or if you said something, they jump in and they're like, no, I actually meant something else. That whole context game gets lost in AI agents. Gemini Live is supposedly like the best at some of the evaluations that are specifically for voice agents.
Yeah.
And if anybody here talks to like advanced voice mode in OpenAI or to Claude voice, you know that like you have to keep saying in between every word, otherwise they will stop and start going like
Into answer, yeah.
answer mode. So supposedly this model like handles all of that much better.
Wow.
So on the robot, I went for like a whole side. I'm going to come back. On the robot, you can like add a whole ingestion of text if you can type to it from OpenClaw. You can talk to it and you can see what you're saying. You can like talk back, which is like super cool.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's cool.
Yeah.
So
I think
are they
that-
still available for sale or?
Yeah, Richie Mini is available. I think they're selling the kits. It's like $500
Damn.
for the main one. It's pretty dope. Mine is honestly standing at home without nothing to do, but I want to send my OpenClaw to kind of live in the robotics thing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I didn't enter the hackathon. I was here as kind of like one of the influencers, I guess. No, no, I'm just here to live stream to kind of show y'all what's going on because it's been crazy. I am kind of building something on the side though. Yeah. I'll have to show you in a bit. I can't release it yet. Stay tuned. Got munchies? Okay,
Some
cool.
munchies, yeah.
Yeah. I'll show you what the vibe is like right now over here. So it's going down over here.
Most folks finished hacking.
Yeah.
And the cool thing, the unique thing about this hackathon, Ralphathon,
Yeah.
is that people connect with each other while the agents are working.
Yeah,
I find that dude, super
That's
cool.
so wild. I don't
wild.
think I've ever been in a hackathon where you're actually supposed to
No.
actually socialize with other people.
It's kind of like always, because you come to a hack, you're dedicating that time to do something,
Right.
and you feel guilty if you're not doing it, because
Right.
you may lose.
Yeah.
Here is the complete opposite. You're
Right.
supposed to go and connect with people. I think it's cool. The Korean one, they went to sleep. The one they did before this in actual Korea, they went to sleep. And also we have OpenAI as the sponsors here. So OpenAI is going to give it like a bunch of prizes in API credits. Romain from OpenAI, head of DevRel, is going to show up here at some point. We're going to chat with them.
Yeah, for sure.
Also.
Is this the time now? Fernando Claw for the win.
No, I think what they're doing right now is just like routing people. to
routing
different
people.
rooms,
Yeah. So for those who aren't aware, this is like the board, and people get penalized anytime they have to go touch their computer. And so if you wanted to touch your computer to update your little Ralph loop, you have 10 minutes, and they give you a little hat that you wear, and that little hat, you also get a little lobster placed next to your team name, and that basically deducts some of the points there. So these are all the different teams that submitted, and they're all on the board, and we're tracking them basically in real time. So yeah, that's kind of like a heads up of what's going on there. And we're just kind of, a lot of the teams right now that are kind of hanging out here in this little space are waiting for the team to be called, and then they're going to the back to go get judged and so forth. And we got to talk to a couple people who have done some cool stuff with their Ralph loops. But basically, yeah, they just set the code for 4 hours or so. They've been basically, their computers have been coding and they've been kind of socializing. And we're just kind of hanging out. Hopefully getting to watch some of the winners and then get some good speeches and stuff coming up.
Yeah, Fernando Claw for the win.
Yeah. That's cool. See if we can catch some folks. Yeah, man.
Yeah, you're good.
Yo, did you get to go get judged yet?
No.
No? Okay, cool. Yeah. So this is our friend down here. You may recognize him from previous hackathons. Yeah. So he's the one that has the Carpathe loop baked into his whole thing. It's cracked. It's kind of cracked. Yeah. It's really cool. So let's see what's going on. Team Wildcard. Let's see what's up with this guy over here. Yo, man. How'd it go? Yo. Yeah?
Yeah.
What do you think?
How many people are watching?
Probably like one person.
It's fine. That's how it starts.
Hundreds of people.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah, tell us about your project.
My project was basically three things at once.
Yes.
It was like Upwork for OpenClaw agents or AI agents.
Okay. Explain.
So Upwork is basically like you put a task there for humans
Yeah.
to complete, and you select a human. It's a very big process.
Yeah.
So what I made is like Upwork for OpenClaw agents. So what happens? You put a task. Maybe you're a live streamer. You want to like improve your post or something like that.
Yeah.
Put a task there. OpenClaw agents around the world, millions of agents with their own laptops on their OpenClaw can like add the skill into their OpenClaw where they can do tasks from my product called Mold Company. That's what it's called, Mold Company. It's borrowed from Mold Book.
Yes.
Okay. So what it does is it does tasks for humans, and if your agent completes the task, it sees the entire process from start to end. Your agent gets you get paid because you own the agent. That's the whole idea of it.
I see. So you
Yeah.
can put these agents out into your little marketplace,
Yeah.
and then you can get paid if they actually do deliver on the work that they're supposed to deliver for you.
Yeah.
So it's your own version
Yeah.
of the agents. Can they actually go into real life like Fiverr and apply for the jobs too? or-
So Fiverr is different.
Yeah, yeah.
Then this is specifically made for AI agents.
Okay, okay.
Like Fiverr, you have to like talk with the client, coordinate with it. Instead, in my platform, what happens is
Yeah.
the context is already given to the OpenClaw agent.
Yeah.
Now it's the millions of OpenClaw agents to compete to try to actually
Wow.
deliver it.
That's crazy. How was
Yeah.
the reception from the judges?
They really loved it. That's what they said.
Ooh, okay,
Let's
okay,
see,
okay.
let's see.
Okay, let's see, let's
I
see.
don't keep my hopes high always,
Yeah.
but it's okay.
Yeah. What's the top prize right now? Is it?
It's just OpenAI credits.
Yes?
Which I don't mind because I use that a lot right now.
Yeah, so what's your favorite model for coding right now? It's between like, it doesn't have to be a single model. You can use multiple or...
So right now for coding, I would say Claude for Opus 4.6 and Codex
Yeah.
are very close. I don't think so. There's a big difference right now.
I see.
Are very close. But if Claude launches its own model right now,
Yeah.
I think Codex might be in. Yeah, it will get overtaken by a huge margin.
That's cool, man. Awesome. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Yeah, you get basically, cool. Cool.
I also have my Instagram channel.
Oh, you have an Instagram channel? Cool.
I would love to get the clips out of this.
Sure. Yeah, just check out Ray Fernando 1337 on YouTube.
How many followers do you have?
I don't know.
Not enough, man. Not enough.
Not enough.
He
Yeah,
needs
go
way
ahead.
more.
You need to get way more
Yeah,
followers.
share it with your friends, folks.
Yeah, Ray Fernando, Rayfernando 1337. Yeah. Perfect. Yeah, that's us.
Oh, bro, that's a
Yeah.
lot.
That's +1.
You know, I just started my Instagram channel and it got like 2,000 followers in 1 week.
Nice. Yeah, you have more than me.
You have more than me as well.
Yeah.
Stop kidding, guys.
Yeah, I have more on X. I have more followers on X. Yeah.
So I just started with this like a week ago. And like
Nice.
one of the reels blew up actually. So this was the reel which blew up and I got like a lot of followers.
Oh, because you did learn robotics? That's cool.
That's very
awesome.
cool, man. I need to learn. I need
Yeah.
as many followers on the Instagram as well.
Cool.
Guys, if you can collaborate, let me know. Also in
Oh, cool. Yeah, I'm
What's
on
your
X. Same handle, Ray Fernando.
Ray Fernando. You should repost this tweet. So
Yeah. That way you can be people who know about your stream. Because it's actually on there right now live. Ray Fernando 1337, RAY. Yeah.
You know what's funny? They gave all the rooms back there
Yeah.
letters and not numbers. When I judge here, that's room like 1 and then room 6.
I
and,
see.
and for some reason, it's really funny because the folks are from Korea, so there's like a bunch of like cultural differences.
Oh.
Why would you give letters and not numbers? I don't know. To me, like numeric is easier,
Yeah.
but I guess not. But they posted letters on the rooms, so the judges are there.
It's fire.
I would suggest to sit in on a judging
Yeah.
process, but usually this could like fuck somebody teams like
Yeah.
some teams like chances.
True.
So we would have to coordinate this with the organizers.
Yeah. It's chill. Yeah, maybe we can talk to some other teams right now who's like.
Oh, maybe somebody as they leave.
Yeah.
Let's catch somebody.
Because he just left too. His
Yeah.
thing, so we just kind of caught him. Let's see if we can find him. Yeah. See who's cooking back here. Let's see. Ooh. Oh, what about that team with that dual display that they just got back? They had that crazy setup with that displays, right? They're like over there, they're locked in.
Let's go.
All right, so we're gonna go see if we can check out that team. So they had like this crazy display, right? So this is their setup back here. See if you can hit them up. I think these are the guys like so super locked in, right? Maybe the same?
I don't think that's the guy.
Yeah, okay.
It's just
Yeah. Because that display, this guy just like, who just pulls up? Like with the big ass like black briefcase. And look at this setup with the displays, bro. Yeah, I think there is actually inside getting judged right now. Yeah. But it's crazy, right? Like,
I love this.
dang. Is this your sign right now? Talk to me about
Talk to
LLM
me
tracing.
about LLM tracing and validation. I mean, I might as well, right? I'm at work.
Yeah. Let's go.
Weave by Weights and Biases is a tool for you to make your LLM applications better, AI agents better. So basically, Weights and Biases is world known for helping folks build AI, machine learning, experimentation tooling. Number one is AI. GPT-4 was famously built with Weights and Biases models. And then many other, like NVIDIA Nemotron, like everybody's using Weights and Biases for training models. We also have a product called Weave for agent execution, so you can see everything. Basically what I call this the nanny cam of AI, right? So if you want to see everything your agent ever did, you should use Weave. It's like 3 lines of code. More than that, dude. Before the agentic thing, I used to say it's 3 lines of code to get started. Now I'm saying just point your agent to the repo. We have skills, we have MCPs, and your agent will self-orchestrate, and then every LLM call that it does behind the scenes, every tool call, every sub-agent will be tracked in Weave, so you'll be able to like be in control of what's going on. The coolest thing about this is that it's a separate system. So if you're using OpenClaw and you're tracking into Weave, if OpenClaw goes down, Weave is still up, so it can like tell you why it happened. Yeah. I went to do like chill mode, but sorry, I'm at work. It's Saturday.
It's Saturday. But yeah, it's actually real stuff though. Like I learned a lot about, because there's some people in that last hackathon that really cooked. Like those kids from high school, like that won the robotic dog.
Oh, hell yeah, dude.
That was crazy. Yeah, that was amazing.
Oh, you were a judge?
Yeah.
Yes.
I love that project.
Yeah.
I was so fired because they basically were showing you how, like, especially for parents or people who want to learn how to do stuff on the screen, it was like really educational focused. So it's, you know how LLMs, we ask for the answers? This is more about showing you what screens you need to click and it would
and where to click. So they would draw like custom UIs on the screen, like let's say like a very complex UI like AWS console.
Right.
They would not only tell you what to do, they would like show you where to click and where to go.
Crazy.
That was pretty cool.
Yeah.
Yep.
And then obviously they capture all the training data and the weights and everything, and they just self-improved. It was really cool.
Yep.
Whoa.
What else should we show the folks? What are you guys interested in seeing in a hackathon?
Yeah.
What's going on? Obviously, the presentations are cool.
Yeah.
But it's going to be a little bit until the presentation is happening because people are getting judged.
Yeah. How about this guy's architecture? That's interesting right here.
This one?
Yeah. Let's see.
Yeah. Memo. You want to ask
Memori
him?
AI? Yeah, go ahead. No, go ahead. Yeah. I'll let you.
How you doing, man? Are you building? Are you done building?
I'm done.
You're done.
Can we ask you a few questions? We're live on Ray Fernando's channel. Yeah. Your name is?
Caleb.
Caleb. What's Memori AI?
Memori.
Alright, tell us about Memori. This is your hackathon. Were you judged already or no yet?
Huh?
Were you judged already?
Not
Not
yet,
yet.
no.
Okay.
So it is the one AI MCP server to rule them all. So all your context from all your chats, Discord, WhatsApp, emails, throw it all on an MPC server, and any chatbot can access it securely from your local computer.
What? No way.
How much of this was built with the Ralph loop?
All of it.
All of it?
Yeah.
So you spec'd it out. Tell us about the process of getting there.
Yeah. So I had like a big prompt, like this big giant paragraph. I just talked to CoreWeave, and I said, hey, I'm going to start a giant Ralph loop. Can you please spec out a document, have like little checkpoints, little dots you need to check off, and then I set it up and just put it on a timer, and it went through one by one.
What did you do while this happened?
I hung out and I talked to people.
Did you have to touch your computer?
I touched it one time.
Did you have to wear a lobster costume of sorts as a punishment?
I did, yeah. It was.
Guys, this is crazy. These crazy Korean guys would just run to you with like a lobster costume and put it on you because you had to touch your computer for 10 minutes. So you had to fix it. So what was the issue? Why did you have to touch a computer?
Well, it was done. So the Ralph loop finished.
No way.
And then I was looking at it and I was like, oh, this looks great. This is awesome. And then somebody came over and said, hey, are you working on your project? And I said,
Oh, they caught you red-handed?
I wasn't working on it.
Red Claude?
I was just looking at it. And I put on the cone of shame.
Oh,
I
snap.
deserved it.
Oh no, it's too good to be true.
Yeah, but once I had the cone of shame on, then I prompted it again. So,
Okay,
There's a
cool.
few things I want to.
Might as well.
So.
Yeah, because look at this architecture. Where can people find this?
It's my repo right here. It's Memori, Caleb Christensen /Memori.
Yeah, people want the URLs.
Somebody clip this, folks.
Yeah, people are trying to copy and paste the URL. Yeah. Please share. Please share it for the wider audience for sure. Yeah, epic.
I built a few cool use cases.
So
for
you can
it as
use
well.
it for OpenClaw too, right? I think that's what a lot of people want to import. It's like I want to import all my ChatGPT chats from Anthropic, Claude, everywhere else, and I could just dump them all in here, and I'll basically have my. Whoa!
So
This
there's
is it?
So this is one example web app that I had to just throw together. This went through all of the web messages from Discord and it compiled them all.
What?
And it ranked them by mentions. So like this is Inception was mentioned 6 times, Project Hail Mary 4. So that's one example.
Dang.
And then another one I built was a dossier on all of my contacts. So
Wait, Caleb, I just have to ask. You built a memory system and 2 example apps to show the memory system?
3 examples.
3 examples.
What the? Bruh.
This is the
In
power
one
of
shot,
Ralph.
bro.
You basically spec it out, and then it runs in the loop.
Exactly right, yeah.
That's dope.
You can see Elliot Anderson is my #1 contact.
What?
32 messages.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Holy guacamole.
Hackathons became crazy since the whole thing of like AI and vibe coding became a thing.
Right.
Because in hackathons you don't have to care about maintenance, you have to care about scalability. You just like send it, and Slopus can build
Slopus.
like no
But
other.
I don't think people understand, like, part of the requirements is that you weren't allowed to build like a RAG app. There was like some basic things you weren't allowed to
Yeah,
build, right?
you're
Like,
being judged by how autonomous your process was, right? And like cool things, not just like a basic RAG app.
yeah,
So
no Streamlit apps.
it kind of seems
No.
like Caleb, that's where you went, right?
That was the plan.
Yeah.
And then, but like it was done so fast. You just said, well, let me just add some more features, and
For these 2 websites, the little dossier and the movie ring, I literally 2 sentences. I said, make me a movie ranking app to showcase it, and I said,
No.
make me a dossier app to showcase
wait,
it.
what model? What models did you use? Is GPT, Opus, or like a combined? Like what's kind of happening?
Yeah, just whichever the highest one was on OpenAI.
Oh, extra.
I think so. Not sure.
How much tokens do you think it cost you, or like, do you have any clue about that?
No idea.
Oh, because you're
So
yeah.
come here,
Yeah.
come here, zoom here. See, had he used the thing I told you guys about before, all of the token counts would be counted at once. So use Weave for LLM observability. That's exactly why we have the tool to answer this question. How many tokens it cost you?
That's cool, man. Wow. Super awesome, man. Holy smokes. People are blown away. They're just like, what the heck? This is insane. And again, to find the repo, it's open source, right?
Yeah, open source.
Or just available on GitHub?
It's just on GitHub. Like I said, this is all Hackathon, right? So I actually have no idea how to even install it. I just had Claude do it all for me. So hopefully it's not too bad of a setup.
That's epic, man.
That's dope, man.
Yeah, cool. Thank you. These guys are giving me unlimited tokens or what?
Yeah.
I don't know. Yeah, we'll have to see. Well, in the next hackathon, we'll see about because this thing was actually put together super last minute, by the way. Like this whole hackathon in terms of like the room size and even like the location hosting. So big shout outs to Weights and Biases. You know,
Ray posted on Twitter on Monday.
3 or 4 days ago.
Monday or
Maybe.
Tuesday.
Yeah.
Hey, does anybody have a space in San Francisco for this hackathon with these folks? I looked at it, backed by OpenAI. I was like, okay, OpenAI is cool. I looked at it. I reached out to our new events coordinator, like, hey, we probably should host this. I flew out. I woke up today at 3 a.m. in Denver, flew out for this. And yeah, well, this came up like super last minute.
Yeah.
Because apparently they grew out of the place that they had planned for a significantly bigger place.
This is crazy. Yeah. And then now we're live on stream. So
And
y'all
now
get to
you
see.
have Ray telling you what it's about.
Yeah.
And
so,
I saw a comment there that says, why is San Francisco so hot? Why the rest of the US can get these opportunities? I'm pretty sure you can run a hackathon everywhere. And there's a bunch of hackathons online as well that you can participate. Don't be restricted to your geographical location. There's no point. You can,
These guys started in Korea. That's where they're from.
Yeah.
Like, and it was pretty popping over there. And
he said that Korea is the #2 country in the usage of ChatGPT among the population after the US.
Dang, I had
That's
no
what he
clue.
said in the beginning.
Oh, like from the OpenAI folks.
Like, yeah, like percentage-wise, Korea is like, percentage-wise out of the population, Korea is like number 2. So everybody there uses ChatGPT.
Damn.
Yeah.
Oh, it's serious. It's serious. And these guys are like disciplined. Whew.
Locked
Bro,
in.
Like I
There's
mean,
10 of them. We ran hackathons for 200 people with like 3 team members. There's 10 folks.
People flew out. People are here. Like it's an amazing culture, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's really dope.
I'm here for it. Yeah. If you're looking for a person for a hackathon partner, I'm probably having one of those folks on my team.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Like it's gonna get done. It's gonna get done.
Yeah. We'll see how smooth it is because like,
Yeah.
I'm seeing teams that haven't been seen by a judge yet. But I mean, at some point.
Wow. Okay. This is crazy. Yeah. So this is the vibes right now. It's a pretty big office, as you can tell. There's like tons of seats and stuff. And they basically turned this into a hackathon space for the weekend. And then these are the judging rooms back here. So people are waiting to go inside to get judged. And this is kind of what's like, yeah. And then my guy over here is like cooking up with the repo. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah. You're probably gonna see a bunch of traffic right now. That's cool. I love that site. Was that Memori AI or something like that? Was that your thing?
Which one?
The profile, that one?
Oh,
Or the other
just
one?
a movie theater.
Ah.
These ones down here is the
Okay. That's so cool, man. I'm still flipping out on this. And you didn't touch. That was not even built by you.
I have no idea how to do WebEx. I write production software for satellites for my job.
This guy writes production software for satellites, and that whole firmware, like low-level stuff, like firmware. Dude, that's crazy, man. That's so crazy. That's so crazy. Yeah, low-level firmware satellites to basically making UIs, and he's just, bro, he's cooking. Damn.
Good luck, man. I hope you win.
Yeah. Let's go see what's
go
going
see
on.
somebody else.
Yeah.
Oh, look at this guy
Yeah.
with the claws.
What's your name, man? What's going on?
My name is Vova.
Yeah. What are you working on?
So basically, I'm building.
Bro
like
is
the
18
product.
years old, by the way.
18?
Yeah.
18.
Yeah, I'm kind of young.
Kind of, yeah.
Yeah. So basically, we were building a product that helps to access the safety of an API agents.
Wow.
Because the problem is that most of the products that using the API, they usually faces the malfunctions of that, and we're trying to fix that. So we're building the product that helps to fix that. It has 2 layers. First layer is that analyzes the vulnerability of the AI agent, and the second one that reviews that. And what makes us stand out among the competitors is basically that they use only review layer, but we're trying to use also the analyzing layer. So yeah, that makes us unique at some point. And we hope actually to connect with some companies so they can implement our solution. Because we already shipped. We presented a pitch deck.
Whoa.
We presented like the demo, of course, and I mean everything works very good. And we're really passionate about that. We're trying to ship that. I mean there are a lot of builders, and the community actually motivates us to work hard.
Amazing.
Yeah.
And so, do you live in San Francisco, or you moved?
I'm living in Berkeley.
Berkeley.
Yeah, Berkeley.
Are you studying at school, or are you?
Yeah,
out, or like...
no, not yet.
Not yet.
Not
Oh,
yet.
Let's go.
Not yet.
Did you grow up in Berkeley?
No, I'm from Ukraine.
Ukraine.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Yeah, go Ukraine.
Amazing. Holy smokes. And then you're staying in Berkeley, and now you're like just cooking.
I mean, I'm trying to. That's like my. It's actually my anniversary hackathon this year.
Oh,
it's
wow.
my 10th hackathon.
10th hackathon?
Yeah, this year.
Dude.
So it's a pretty special one, and the very unique one, because on most of the hackathons, you just given the task you have to do. You have a special prizes from the companies. But here you have 2 hours on making the prompt. Then you wait in 3 hours for Ralph Loop to generate that.
Yeah, that's
and
crazy.
Afterwards, you just have 1 hour to fix that. And you actually have to, because we were starting already making a pitch deck, and like the demo, like even before that, because we were scared, then we will not have like that. It would not be enough. Yeah, like 1 hour.
Oh,
so
I see. You wanted to like basically get more.
Yeah.
Well, add more features.
Yeah, I mean
that's amazing.
I mean,
so what models did you use?
What do you mean?
To like make it like Anthropic, Opus?
We use the Claude Sonnet.
Okay. Oh, Claude Sonnet. Okay. Oh, Sonnet 4.5.
4.6.
4.6. Okay.
4.6. Yeah, 4.6.
Interesting. Is it because it's faster, or is it?
Yeah, it's faster, and I mean, we tried to compare it with Codex, and I mean, Claude Sonnet was working better. There was like a performativity of them in terms
Yeah.
of like the
UI.
analyzing a lot of APIs. So we're
okay.
trying to, because our solution, what also makes us stands out is also we try to analyze as many solutions as it's possible.
Interesting.
So Claude was performing better. I mean,
Amazing.
I'm not trying to hate on the Codex, but
Yeah.
yeah.
Hey, that's cool. I like. And then, what did you use an IDE or like?
No.
Oh no, just all Claude code.
Yeah.
Okay. Epic. That's awesome. I'm Korean. Hello.
Hi.
That's awesome. Yeah, I gotta post the stream into the chat. Maybe for the Discord. But yeah.
Oh, I
cool.
would be. Yeah, it would be nice to review that and I'll send it to my parents. you
Okay,
know.
cool. Yeah, Ray Fernando 1337. Yeah, you go and look it up.
Hello,
Yeah,
hello.
Yeah. It's a live stream. Yeah.
Yeah.
Cool, man. Well, congrats. Well, hopefully you get called up for the finalists.
I mean, we also hope for that. That will be very nice. But in general, it's a very good experience, and
Yeah.
I really recommend people to participate and as much hackathons as you can.
Yeah.
Because first of all, community, a lot of builders,
Yeah.
and yeah, as Alex was saying, don't be stick to your location. Try to participate in online hackathons.
Yeah.
Second of all, try to network as much as you can because you never know who the people might be. Because one day you can network with just a person who's building, and the next day they can be in YC.
And
So,
co-founder, yeah.
yeah.
Or
And
the
third of
next
all-
billionaire.
Yeah, and third of all, it's fun. It makes you build. It makes you doing things faster.
Yes,
And
yeah.
it's
Yeah.
useful skill in life. So
You see good examples too. So you see
Yeah.
what the winners do, and
Yeah.
they can explain what they think about how they're problem solving.
Yeah.
You learn a lot, actually. Yeah, that's a good point.
yeah. So
Very encouraging.
yeah.
Cool.
Yeah. Appreciate the
Awesome.
opportunity to talk. Wish you a nice day. It's nice
Yes.
seeing you.
Awesome,
Yeah.
man. Cool.
I got this.
So he's from Ukraine.
I know, dude. I talked to him.
Oh, I
He's from
see.
he called me sir. And I'm like, am I that old?
Damn.
Am I that old? You're like, hi, sir. And he talked to me like, I was like, bro, go chill here. Oh, somebody from Korea. What's up?
Yeah, Korea. What's going on? Hi, awesome.
Annyeonghaseyo. How do you say hello? I think it's
Oh,
like
in Korean?
annyeonghaseyo. Yeah.
Oh.
In Korean.
Oh, let's go ask some. Let's go ask some folks. Okay, cool. Awesome. Yeah. What's cooking?
Let's see what else is cool.
Gubang, yeah. What's going on? Oh my God.
Somebody's passed out.
Locked in, bro.
We're not gonna interrupt, but this happens a lot in hackathons. People come on the weekend and they just like, bonk. What did you build? Is your project cool?
Yes.
Sorry,
Yeah.
he caught me.
Yeah.
He caught me.
Yeah.
You guys built something cool?
I think so.
All right. Ray is live on his channel. That if you want to get featured, you have to follow. Otherwise, you're not gonna get featured. You want to tell him? And his
Yeah, what are you guys
listeners
working on?
What
What's
do you
that?
guys
Yeah.
built?
How was the
presented?
reaction? Yeah, what's the reaction from the Agentic?
We basically built a one-click merchandise agent. What you do is you basically invite it to your Luma as a co-host.
Wow.
And then the agent will scrape all of your information, the sponsors, attendees, and then it'll actually make merchandise for you, and then send that merchandise to your attendees.
That's crazy. That's fast.
So you can see it
Oh my
here.
God, Leah, let me see right here. Wait, so this is from today's event, right?
Yeah, this is from today's event, and what you can see here is the agent is literally designed the T-shirt,
Bruh.
uploaded it to a merchandise site,
Bruh.
and now anyone can literally click here
Oh my God, bro.
and then select the size, click here, and then buy.
Wow.
Boom.
Wow.
That's it. All done end to end.
Well, $50 for a T-shirt though. $50.
All right.
Come on, River.
Hey, let's go.
Can I get a discount? Because I helped you guys with
Yeah,
the
right.
project.
Yeah, let's
You guys
go,
talk
let's
to me.
Wait, so what models did you use to make the shirts and the prints and the designs and stuff? Like,
Gemini for banana for the image generation, and then Claude with Ralph Loop for the actual product.
Use Claude in the hackathon sponsored by OpenAI. Ooh, I'm saying.
I was like,
That's it.
hey,
Use
hey.
only, for the Ralph loop, it basically uses the OpenAI for all the agent stuff for
Yeah.
end-to-end execution.
Sorry, man, we lost that.
No, it's
Sorry,
okay.
fucked it up.
Yeah.
The judges are in the
Yeah.
room. We're not the
I know.
judges. We're
What do
just
you-
like,
what do you guys
we're
think,
just fucking
chat?
around.
Like, y'all think that
We've never
disqualified?
we've never heard of what was it, Claude? Never heard of that.
Yeah.
What's Claude? What's Claude?
What's up? What's up?
We don't do that around here. Yeah.
That's
yeah.
dope. But I think it's a cool idea. I think
Yeah,
it's a cool
yeah.
idea because like the criteria for this hackathon was not another rag app.
Right.
This is definitely not a rag app.
Yeah, that's fire.
Yeah. Do you know what they built?
Oh yeah. He's
I'll
like,
tell
he's
you
got-
after. He's busy. He's like super busy.
The hosts are super busy.
Bro, when I run this hackathon, nobody can talk to me.
Yeah,
No
yeah.
one. I'm just like, no.
Yeah, let me get some water real quick. Man, this is crazy. Man.
Yeah, we should close the blinds.
Oh, man. Yeah.
First Ukrainian with better English, bro. My English is not too bad. I'm Ukrainian as well. What is it? What is
They're
this,
talking
MJ?
about that kid, the 18-year-old kid.
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
Vladdy, Vova. Yeah, what was it called, dude? Yeah.
Yo, Fiji water, is this good, bro?
Fiji-
Holy
I don't know.
smokes.
You like
This
it?
is amazing. Yeah, it tastes super clean.
You probably parched, man. You need some water.
Probably, yeah, I need some electrolytes.
These guys, the organizers of the hackathon, it's only their second or third.
Yeah.
They built a whole system. Like, we sometimes use another submission system. They built a whole system that shows which teams were built, which teams submitted. Like it's a whole,
Like vibe coded.
yeah, vibe coded.
That's
And also his
crazy.
presentations is also vibe coded as well.
Yeah,
That
it's
was
all
super cool.
HTML.
Yeah.
Yeah, bro, the level of lock-in here is insane. Wow.
So if you're ever in Korea,
Yeah.
hit those folks up.
Actually, they're live there right now.
Yeah,
'Cause
that's
they're
true.
just waking up, right? It's like
I think-
pretty early morning.
What time is it in Korea? Let's ask Siri. Let's ask the dumbest AI in the world.
Yeah,
Hey
right.
Siri, what time is it in Korea? Oh, South Korea is 9:23. So they're just waking up.
Yeah. And they're going to come alive because Jeff Huntley, from the inventor of the Ralph Loop, is going to be doing one of the talks, actually.
Yeah, they flew him out to Seoul while they flew out here. Who's sponsoring them? I would love to be part of the team that just like gets flown around the world to do hackathons, bro.
You're just that guy, bro. You're that guy.
Yeah.
Yeah. Jesus, that's what's up, man. Why Ralph Loop is featured? Why not?
I think there's a concept that people often overlook of the mimetic potential of a technology. I'm so serious about this. I talked about this on the podcast all the time, dude. OpenClaw.
You got to break it down for the audience.
Yeah. Mimetic virality potential is a real thing. OpenClaw has taken over China. And the reason it's taken over China is not, it's insane, dude. There's like 1,000 people lines to get OpenClaw installed at like Tencent HQ and Alibaba. Every major Chinese LLM producer, everyone jumped on the OpenClaw bandwagon, and installing is free for folks. Why? Because if you use a ChatGPT account, it's dead while you don't use it. OpenClaw has a heartbeat. OpenClaw has like processes, cron jobs that it adds, right? So like the tokens flow all the time. So for the LLM companies, OpenClaw is like 10 times the token amount per user than regular one. So all the Chinese companies got it, okay?
Yeah.
But it broke through the barrier not because of that. It broke through the barrier because OpenClaw has a mimetic potential. It's very visual. This is very visual.
Yeah.
The claw thing is very visual. The name in China, they call it raising a red lobster. It's like a cute Chinese like idiom that like grandmas know about this in the group chats. It's insane.
bro.
So technology aside, which is like a cool technology, like other copycats like Hermes, for example, they don't have quite that virality potential. Ralph with the finger here, with the Simpsons Ralph character, etc., also has the great mimetic potential.
Yeah.
And so these folks kind of combine both of them. This is not really about the OpenClaw, but
right.
Do you see what they did here?
Yeah.
Nothing is about OpenClaw.
No.
But they used the OpenClaw meme to promote the other one.
Yeah.
Yeah. So Ralph is basically the idea of the hackathon is running Ralph loops while talking to other people.
Yeah.
I think that this is why they're promoting it.
Everyone's who are you again for those people new to the chat?
I posted. Scroll up in the comments.
No. Like they're just new to the chat. Everyone comes and goes.
Okay. So if you just joined, my name is Alex Volkov. I am a host of the podcast called Thursday AI. Probably the OGs are tired of hearing this because it's the third time. But you guys know Ray.
Yeah.
I also do streams live. I have a podcast and a newsletter about AI that you're more than welcome to subscribe. If you like this kind of takes, there's a lot. Great
Alex
information.
is amazing. Yeah.
Thank you guys. Thank you. I
Dude,
appreciate
that's
it.
why his show is amazing.
Oh,
You gotta check out
Romain!
Thursday. Yo, what's going on?
How you doing, man? Are you on the way?
Yes, I'm just going to try to say hi to Guban.
Okay, we'll grab you
cool.
afterwards.
So you-
This
From
is
OpenAI.
Romain from OpenAI, head of DevRel.
Yeah.
They're sponsoring this hackathon, and we'll grab him.
Yeah,
and
we'll
talk to
grab,
him.
yeah. So we'll get to hear more about. He has a lot of insights and kind of maybe explain a little bit about his role. Yeah.
Those are my friends eating.
Yo.
Yeah. I'll go say, yeah, I should grab Romain. Come talk to us.
Yeah.
Actually, need to talk to him off the screen also.
Yeah.
On the
we
screen.
we need Alex links.
Yeah.
THURSDAI. Yeah.
He actually. Oh, Alex links. Yeah, I'll post it in the YouTube chat. But it's called Thursday AI, like Thursday with an AI in the end.
Yeah.
With an I. Yeah.
THURSDAI. Yeah.
And Romain from OpenAI is actually going to give a talk. You should stay live till his talks are awesome.
Yeah.
His talks are like dope, and we will definitely post about it.
Yeah.
But thank you guys, I appreciate it.
Yeah, he's the head of DevRel.
Swix is over there.
Yeah, let's go talk to Swix. Oh, is he?
I don't know if Swix wants to jump. Swix gives no fucks. Yeah, I don't know if you guys know Swix from Latent Space. He's like a AI engineer or organizer, whatever. He came with an Arise hoodie to a Weights and Biases office. This is like going to Manchester United with Arsenal t-shirt, bro. This is like, you don't do this. I told him a couple of times. Yeah, I know Romain, yeah.
Yeah. Cool. Awesome.
I wanted to grab Romain afterwards, but he's like a big
Yeah.
He's
got the iPhone Air in his pocket. Let's go.
iPhone Air?
Yeah, bro.
Oh, shit, okay.
He's an Air, bro. Yeah. I gotta try it. For inspiration, build a citation app that checks how original ideas preventing Slackathon behavior.
I'm gonna go and check when the live streams are happening, when the presentation is happening.
Yeah.
And then I'll come back to you guys.
Cool.
And then maybe post another link.
Yeah, cool.
But
for sure.
He is part of the staff.
Okay, cool. How's it going, man? Cool. We're on the live stream too. Yeah. It's cool. Yeah. It's live streaming. It's going down. So it's pretty busy over here right now. There's a lot of folks. As you can kind of see, this is kind of the vibes. The judging's happening back here, and then we have some of the judges, folks here. We also have, Alex saying hello to his friends, and then we're just kind of hanging out here. It's a pretty cool. It's a beautiful day in San Francisco. It's an even more beautiful day to be inside, kind of hanging out with us live. So appreciate everyone who's kind of hanging out here. And so with this Ralphathon thing, basically, the goal is just to give it a prompt and let it start building software. I think for me, it's been really impressive how people just give it one prompt and it builds everything with the current models. And to be honest, there's a lot that has to be evaluated just for it to happen. So, what's up? What's going on, Flavin? Yeah. And so I think people are surprised how fast the model comes back in less than an hour or something with all their features that they've requested built. And a lot of times, good luck, man. Good luck. We have some folks who are going right there. This is our friend from Ecuador. He has that signed DGX Spark. And with this type of hackathon, there's these models are really, really good. And can you use Ralph with factory joy mission? I mean, I don't see why not. I don't know what type of thing that they're asking to evaluate, but I think here they're basically trying to have you build your own version, if you know what I mean. So the one that I really liked was that guy back there we were talking about that basically used the Karpathy loop, which self-evaluated everything that it checked in, but it also kicked it off on Vercel, and it showed you a graph of all the different runs and what it did and what failed and whatnot. And I thought it was really, really cool. I don't think I've seen anyone do something like that in that level. So every day is beautiful in SF. Look at Liz makes heels up behind. No, so I think that's the thing. Most people don't really know until they see each other's projects, which is kind of why I like to do live streams, because then you can see what's actually really happening. And it's not that foreign. If I didn't leave my house, I wouldn't really know what's going on with all these projects, but you can learn quite a bit. What's going on, man? You have some time? How's it going? Yeah, how's the judging going?
Okay, so judging is very busy. Everyone is just trying to get more time to do the to do some answering their questions.
Yeah.
So we're learning all the time. So I always just trying to push every room. Time is up. Wow. Yeah, but hackers are really, really, really eager to speak more things.
Of
so
course.
they're really enthusiastic. I
feel
the vibe, right?
Yeah. Dang.
Damn.
And you flew from Vancouver, I think?
Yeah, I'm from Vancouver, yeah. From school, I believe so.
Yeah. And he's basically running some of the hackathons.
Yeah, so true. In San Francisco. It's a really nice one.
Yeah, a lot of people are pretty excited. Yeah.
Yeah, so true. Yeah, thanks for live streaming
here.
Yeah,
for sure, man. Cool. Yeah, more soon.
Yeah, more soon.
Yeah. That's cool. I'm in San Francisco. Hey, how's it going? Do you want to talk some more? Yeah, come on. Cool.
Is it official?
Yeah.
Hi, this is Zhang.
How's it going? Tell them what's going on.
It was a really great experience. Actually, my laptop was broken, so I need to fix some things.
Whoa.
Yeah. So
where are you from?
I'm from Korea.
You flew from Korea.
Yeah.
That's crazy. to San Francisco.
Yeah, that's right.
Amazing. What did you build?
We are building a automatic short form generation for the game streamer.
Well, let's see. We gotta see this for game streamers.
Sure.
Bro, no way. I want to see this. Hi.
So here is our product.
What?
So this
Whoa.
left panel represents the live streaming.
Yeah.
So it's Valorant.
What?
So actually, this is the, in
Oh my
the
God.
in the
Wait.
on the air.
It's live right now.
Yeah, sure.
Wait. So you're.
So
Wait.
what?
Wow.
So what we are building is they can make automatic short form with free.
While live. During the live stream.
Yeah, that's right.
Wait, can you do mine, Ray Fernando 1337? I'm live right now.
Yeah.
On Twitch. Whoa. No way. But this is for gamers, huh?
Yeah, sure.
Wow. So because that's the big problem. It's because gamers have a problem with like clipping.
Yeah,
So
so,
then they have
we are
to-
basically making an AI native video editing system.
Yeah.
So in the previous world, the interviewer or the game streamers, they need to post-processing to record to make a short form or a long form video for their streaming.
Yes.
But for now, they don't need to that because they can make tons of the short form video right after finishing their streaming service.
During the stream
Yeah.
of them playing the game.
Yeah, that's
which
right.
is actually live right now.
Yeah,
And it
sure,
just
sure.
pops out a clip.
Yeah, that's right.
And how do you guys? What models are you guys using?
We are using the Gemini for this.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you're ingesting the feed from Twitch.
Yeah, that's right.
And it's running locally on your machine right now.
Yeah. If you
And so-
can see here,
Yeah.
there are several indicators in here. So
Yeah.
we are basically
Oh.
using these indicators.
Sentiment.
Yeah.
Oh,
It's kind
okay.
of the sentiment and the key event and then audio kind of things. And then we also analyze the transcript of the streamers.
Oh wow.
Like here.
Oh my god. And then if there's a lot of comments or something, you can clip or something?
Yeah. Comments and then streamer's voice transcript.
Oh. So you can tell the tone of the voice.
Yeah, that's right.
What the
So
heck?
by combining these kind of information,
Yeah.
you can make a short form video.
Wait, can you
That's
do
all.
one for my Twitch? Can I give you the handle?
Sure.
Yeah. Ray Fernando.
But we are optimized to the game player.
Yeah.
So yeah.
I'm curious.
Okay.
Ray, R-A-Y,
RAY.
F-E-R.
FDR.
Yeah. E-R. Yes.
Can you
Yeah,
do
yeah.
that?
We're live stream right now. Yeah.
FDR.
Yeah. F-E-R. N-A-N-D-O 11337. Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, this
That's us.
one. Okay.
Yeah. Wow.
Then let's do that.
Yeah. Let's go. We're live streaming right now, and like for real, we're basically watching ourselves live stream. We're gonna clip ourselves watching ourselves on the live stream.
Yeah. I need to
I think it took them It took you guys what 4 hours to make this? You think?
Yeah.
Yeah. And so
Give me a sec, please. Give me a sec.
No way. This is so crazy. We're literally gonna clip ourselves watching ourselves on the stream. So any of these comments are also clippable, by the way. So like, I've seen a less advanced version, and even local bots are good at finding viral moments. Sometimes it's lined up with what you watch parts. No, but this is live. So while the stream is going live, basically it can create these clips, and they're listening for this criteria live. And watch, we're basically watching this whole thing. And so this is the interface right now that's actually pulled up on our live stream right now live. And so you're basically being able to watch the stream.
Yeah, can
in
you
real
see
time.
this?
Yes.
Yeah, we can see the transcript in here.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Everything that I'm saying.
Yeah, that's right. So we are basically optimized to the Valorant. So the indicator is works, the keyword.
What? Bro, this is crazy.
So crazy?
Wait, this is so meta too. So like, this is probably like the most meta thing that we're watching. We're basically
here
in
is
a
our
live
team.
stream.
Here is our team.
This is the
I
team
wanna
right
shout
now.
out to my team.
Yeah. Wow. So what did you guys use? Tell me more about the Ralph loop and stuff. Yeah. The technology. Yeah.
Oh, should I tell about?
Yeah. They said live transcript's crazy. Yeah. What's going on?
Yeah, hi. I'm Jamin. I'm the designer. I designed the whole interface with Cloud-code.
You designed the whole thing with Cloud-code?
Yeah.
Damn.
It took me like 5 minutes.
What? Oh my God, bro.
Oh, I think our engineer did something. Oh, that's very awkward. I'm Nate. I'm software engineer of this team, and I just fixed the bug, so I'm gonna share with my team. Yeah.
Yeah, thank you very much. Actually, to do that, we divided our roles into the three. So he handled the front end part, and then he handled the back end part.
Wow.
I summarized all the things.
Oh my
so
gosh.
I'm kind of do nothing.
So all of you are from Korea?
Yes.
From Seoul
yes,
or from
yes.
where?
From Seoul.
Whoa! And you flew out together.
Yes.
Oh my gosh, you guys are amazing. Yeah,
Thank you.
people are saying clip it. So is this does this have a GitHub repo where we can go
Yeah,
find
we
it?
have GitHub repo, and then
Can you show us the
here's
repo?
Arrive,
A
yeah.
lot of people want to get the repo right now. I'm gonna get the repo.
Okay.
Somebody put in the chat.
This is the public, so
public, yeah.
anyone who can interest, then they can use that.
Okay, look at
Yeah.
make sure you get this repo right there. Only castle/live. Oh, wow. Go ahead and clip. This is a clip farming machine, man. Right now, it's currently tuned to games as far as like the transcript that you're saying, but it's open source. I guess you can go grab it and then you can go get it and start to do the thing.
Yeah, please click the star.
Please click the store. Yeah, that's so cool. That's amazing.
Thank you.
Holy smokes! Everyone is going crazy in the chat.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
Thank
'cause
you very much.
It's also on YouTube because you get the transcript speaking. You understand the picture, the sentiment
That's
changes.
right, that's right, yeah.
You're understanding a lot of different stuff. Yeah, 5 star, 5 star.
Hit the star, please.
Yeah, click the star. Like, get the repo and then like star it. Yeah, like definitely get the stars.
Thank you very much.
Wow.
It was a really nice interview.
Yes. Oh, it's very happy. Yeah, that's amazing. Cool. We hope you win. And what's your team name? Only Castle?
2,300 Mason.
2,300.
Come here and let's hanging out.
Okay. Are you guys going to be around for a while, like a couple weeks or a couple days?
I was staying here for 2 months.
2 months?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Yeah, we'll see if we can bump into him again. Yeah, that'd be really cool.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I want to make shout out to the EO team.
Okay.
Do you know the EO team?
No.
That guy. That video guy.
Oh, okay, video game.
Yeah.
Yeah, give a shout out. Go ahead.
Is there live streaming?
Yeah,
I
live
want to
stream.
do shout out to him. So he recorded all kind of this kind of events.
Whoa.
So he included so many inspiring the founders in here.
Wow.
Okay. Give me your 2 cents.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I'm a producer at EO. We're interview founders, investors, and spreading Silicon Valley spirit to all around the world.
Wow. And you guys are also from Korea too?
Yeah, right. We are based in Korea, and now I'm living in EO house. There's a EO house.
Oh, there's a hacker house.
Yeah. We are staying in the EO house, and our team name is the location of the EO house.
No
So
way.
if you are founders and inspiring founders and board founders, please come here and let's doing something.
And you have the house name somewhere?
Sorry?
Is it written on down on paper? The house name?
House name EO house.
Oh, EO house.
Yeah.
Ah.
Entrepreneur owner house.
Oh, okay.
Is it in the city? Yeah, in the city, in the North Beach.
Oh, okay.
You want to say hello to the stream?
Yeah, there are so many inspiring founders.
You know what?
Okay, this is your turn.
Oh,
Yeah.
thank you so much. Well, hey, you should meet Bo. Have you met him yet?
Bo?
He's Korean American, but he's a rock star. He's like knows everything about setting up any startup from like
Are there any
Korea
what?
and coming here in the U.S. And
Team what?
Like interim CFO and everything. Yeah.
Oh, nice, okay.
Yeah.
By the way, it's your turn.
My
Yeah.
turn. Oh, hey. Oh
Yeah,
my
what's
gosh.
going on?
Hey, oh my gosh. Like, I love going to hackathons, especially when you're involved. And I know it's the best.
Right?
Yeah.
So what do you think so far? Any
yeah, it's
any cool teams
amazing.
you've seen so far? Yeah. No, go ahead. You can. Yeah.
No, I got here late.
I got here.
Yeah.
Have you-
Let's
any cool
chat
stuff?
later.
Okay, cool.
Yeah,
Awesome.
But I don't want to be on. I'm not
Okay.
the star. I
I'm not- It's cool. Romain. Romain is somewhere back over here, I think. Yeah. Oh, they're right there. Yeah. Cool. Yeah. Okay. Okay,
You know
cool.
me and my intros. I
Okay,
moved
yeah.
into an amazing high-rise.
Wow.
After this maybe
Okay.
300-degree view. With your taste, you're going to love it. After
Whoa.
this, come visit.
360 degree.
Yeah. No, it's called Chorus.
Chorus?
And it's all like YC founder
Wow.
operators.
Okay.
You got to come. It's jaw-dropping. You know what it is?
This is what happens when you go live on
Yeah,
San
yeah.
Cisco. It's just
Yeah,
like you just
yeah.
kind of casually you just show up in these other places and
Yeah.
you know
No,
founders
you-
and stuff. Yeah.
Yeah, you gotta come
Okay.
see the view.
Cool.
But anyways, what was my point? Oh yeah, I met someone you should meet. Is
Okay.
this live?
Yes, it's
Really?
live.
Okay,
Yes.
okay.
Okay, cool.
I want to tell it.
Okay, cool. right, cool. We'll see ya.
I got someone
Okay, okay.
that you're gonna just
Awesome.
get along like a house on fire.
Sweet. Cool. Yeah, let's see. Let's check in on our friends a little bit. Okay, so this is what's going on over here. We got Alex Wilkoff hanging out over here with Sean, aka Swix, aka the father of what do you call it? AI engineer. This is kind of where I guys started out, meeting some of the folks and kind of get stuff involved. It's super busy right now with all these things that are going on. Hold the mic a little closer to the speakers. Yeah, right now there isn't really much going on the speaker-wise because they're just announcing the founders to go back there. So people who have submitted their apps, they're all turning yellow back there, and then they're going to those little rooms, which are basically behind us. And then in those rooms is kind of where the judging's happening. So anyone building a landing page builder? No. I don't think you're even, I think you could build it, but yeah. Amazing. It could pick up events from the transcription and convert your local time and when they were mentioned. That would be great. The video would have, yeah, this event's crazy. It's crazy because literally it's like the one where you literally just code and then just walk away. Here's our friends who are doing the game clipping stuff, and they're all right here. It's super locked in. And then we're able to see our stream live. I think from a demo perspective, that was probably like the most blown away one right now, where these guys are just like in here. Yeah, so they were clipping the stream while we were making the stream, and we kind of like stream sniped them. What's going on, man? Did you present? How'd it go?
Pretty good.
Yeah? Any reactions you want to share? First, let's see. What's going on? Landing page builder, why? How many more left?
We're all done.
Oh, all done.
They
Okay.
just finalized the results.
Oh, okay. Ooh, stay tuned. Yeah, so they're finalizing the results right now, and then after that, I think there's going to be some presentations, and they're going to do some speeches. So the one that we're definitely going to stay live for, I'm going to have the microphone set up. Was it going to be from the person from OpenAI, so that way we can talk more about kind of what's going on. So yeah, this is all that's going on. Thank you for the great information. Yeah, for sure. Thanks, man. Appreciate it. There's a lot going on right now in San Francisco. So yeah. What's that? I don't know. Yeah. Yeah. Let's see. Okay. Yeah. Let's see. I'm gonna walk around a little bit. I need to get some water too. I might drop by California a week or two again. Used to go live there a decade ago. Yeah, for sure. Is this my water?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, cool. Thank you. Cool. Yeah. Cool. Yeah. No, it's definitely the place to be right now. California's crazy. Okay. So yeah, actually let me go back to my computer real quick. Let's see who are the finalists. Let me see if I can get a sneak peek. Did you make it?
I don't know.
Oh.
Call me, I guess.
Oh, okay. How's it going, man? Are you nervous?
Good.
Yeah.
There are many great presentations.
Yeah. It's cool. It's one of the staffs. Yes. Okay. Judges. Okay. Let's go. Yeah. So this hackathon, so it's basically building from one-shot prompts, but you have to build a thing that builds the thing. So you basically have to build the Ralph loop engine, if you know what I mean. So Ralph loop as a concept, though, is pretty straightforward. It's just like a bash loop. But as you can see, like it has to maybe even be self-improving. So this is actually building from one-shot prompts. So the products you're seeing that are generated, like that guy from NASA, he basically makes firmware. He never made any UI. And he wrote not only one app, like 3 different apps during this hackathon. His finished early, he thought there was a failure. It just completed everything. He was blown away, and he went to touch his laptop to go do something and check out what was going on. They like penalized him because, hey, you're not supposed to touch your machine. And he said, well, while I'm here, I might as well just do some more things. So he built like a movie site builder. It imports all of his chats from Discord and everything. And it can even import all of his contacts and everything like that. And it's just like, the MCP thing can connect to other things as far as like OpenClaws or whatever. And he built like a front-end website. Like he didn't build it, he just prompted it. And it's crazy. Once you have this little looping system, these models can do a lot, right? So, and it was even the game clipping one, right? Like, it's crazy. Someone worked on the front end, someone worked on the back end. It's like not that they really have to work on it. They just have to like work on the criteria. So becoming really clear on what you want to build is probably really important. Very impressive to me. Yeah, like they could just say, go build the thing. Crazy how they're doing it. Any tips? I think what we can do is like, if there's any winners and stuff, because I think people right now have been just rushed to go get judged. And so we're trying to figure out, they're just trying to get, you know, maybe they've already finished judging and they're kind of talking like that. I get some chance. We're going to see if we can get some tips as well. Let me check on the stream health right now. So basically this is my desk. And so this is kind of what I got going on right now. You get one of these cool little like long desk things. And so, yeah, let's see what's up. Let's see what's going on the desk front. Oh, we got a good healthy amount of people right now going on YouTube. Let's see if I can see it on YouTube. Cool, like 50 something watching, cool. Awesome. And then we got the stuff going on X as well. Cool. Did X repost the stream? Oh, they did, okay, cool. 292, perfect. Awesome. Anyone make any comments yet? Okay. Yeah, if you're on X, you can repost some stuff. Let me catch up with the YouTube comments too, because I know some folks had some comments on YouTube. I want to get some of these streams on there too, because that'd be fire. We got 4 people watching on Twitch. Okay. Let's see if I can get the chat going. Okay, let me pop out the chat. Pop out the chat. Okay, EO House, landing page builder. Yeah. Let's see live chat. Okay. Gene, drop by California. Yeah. Participate in a hackathon for sure. I think let's see what I got going on here. Just kind of answering some things. Let me show you a couple projects that I'm working on right now, but they're pretty fire. So I want to show you a sneak peek because you're here with me right now, and anyone who comes after is going to totally miss out. So what I'm working on is a thing called WatchClaw. And so what's crazy about this thing is the fact that like, let me go back over here. So this is kind of what I've been working on. So in essence, this is the current prototype. I want to be able to track all of my Claude code, OpenClaw, codex sessions and stuff in one place, like on an Apple Watch type of stuff. I don't have an Apple Watch anymore, but I'm going to get one again just so I can start to use this, because I want to see, like, when I kick off a project or something, I want to be able to control the chat and see it. So like see what messages are in progress, what tool calls are going on. And then when I want to go and talk to the project, I just want to say, hey, go ahead and make sure that this is updated. And then like it would just push it down to the project. If I want to switch projects, all I have to do is just tap this guy, go to cursor, go to droid. It can control any agent, and I can get updates from any agents as well. And if I want to basically stop everything, I could just hit stop all, and it would just literally act as a kill switch for all of my sessions and kill them all. So this is basically what I've been working on. I was working on for this as like a hackathon event. And so what's crazy about it is it's going to do a couple things. Not only will it work from your Apple Watch, but it'll be able to work from the phone. It can also work from the web. And if you want to control it using your OpenClaw, you can also do that as well. But it's also going to have a menu bar item, and it's also going to work as far as if you want this to work inside of your Mac, you can actually have it so it's a menu bar. So it's going to pop out and animate out, and then you can come out and it'll like control the actual CLI that you want to control from your Mac. So it's kind of crazy. So if you don't have one of these little black bars, basically it can just be a menu bar item, and it'll basically be able to see everything. I don't know if you know this, but there's like an ACP protocol. There's several different protocols that are involved underneath the hood that make this possible. So I can listen in on like all of these and basically have one master repo, and each of these protocols are going to have their own plugin systems. So these are already built for all these different repos, because that's how Cursor can plug into Zed. That's how Droid can plug into these different places, Claude Code and so forth. And this is already, like, I've just been spending the last like 30 minutes to an hour defining all the specs. I used to work on operating system stuff at Apple, so I'm extremely familiar with, you know, launch agents, daemons, and plugin systems, and designing these really like large architectures to plug into these things. All of this is going to be open source. The whole goal of this is so that you can take this, make an Apple Watch. I'm gonna produce the Apple Watch app, the phone app. It's going to be free, and I feel like this needs to be open source. No one has combined all of this together. I think people want this because I've seen people try to use Claude Code on their watch, and it's just such a hairy mess with all these different chats and stuff. And it doesn't have to be that complicated. It should be much simpler than that. We have all the technology to build it. It's literally right here. So I basically I've defined this massive spec with these different protocols. And so yeah, I basically have been defining the Swift protocols for it, the different Claude Code plugin protocols, and like how they're going to basically be defined in the system. This is just all chatting with Claude, right? Trying to do my architecture documents, like researching the different hooks and stuff, the different project structures. This is really serious stuff. And the reason why I spend a lot of time in the spec part, plannings part, is because those are the pieces that I can understand what I'm going to build, and then I can hand this off to the agents and then have them build. As far as the agents that I'm going to be using, I'm going to be using a combination of Droid and also going to be using a combination of Cursor. So with Cursor right now, what I've done is I've downloaded all the skills files. So with iOS, there's a whole ton of skills that you can download. So there's Swift Concurrency Pro, Swift Testing, Swift Data, Swift Adley Pro, WatchOS. There's an Xcode Build MCP skill as well. So all of these are perfect because what I want to do is I want to run this entire thing in a loop. And it's going to run in a loop without me touching anything. I'm not going to open Xcode. I don't want to open Xcode. Ever since I left Apple, I did not want to open that app anymore. Now I don't even have to open it anymore. Thank God. I'm going to have the app built. Did I say that out loud? Okay, don't clip that. Don't clip that. I forgot there's somebody having a clipping service right now, literally clipping this live stream. My bad. Don't clip that. Don't clip that. Don't clip that. Okay. Anyways, back to what I'm saying. What I'm saying was, now you can have these different skills. All of these skills are totally public. So like this is all built into the repo now. So they're in here. It's going to reference how to like build a watch app, how to do like the Swift Pro stuff, you know, when you're building an API, like all the stuff that I need for like concurrency, especially like actors and these different patterns are all built into here. Yeah, this is insane. Like there's hotspots, there's like the way of how you're actually supposed to structure data correctly. And this also comes from Paul Hudson, Rudrank Briam, all the people I've been like kind of following for a while. I haven't done a lot of development ever since I left Apple for like Swift specifically. And there's a lot of different reasons, but basically for the most part, I just didn't want to touch Xcode. As much as I love it, but I don't. And so now, all of this can be done agentically over the CLI. I'm not going to launch one window. I'm basically going to send a Droid mission on it. And the mission is going to have all of this scaffolding for my entire plan, and it will build out the whole thing. So I can have it built out first, the prototype. I can have it build out the CLI. I'm going to have it build out the actual menu bar app, which is going to act like a little server. And so that server is going to sit there. Then I'm going to start having it chug away at all the different plugins for all the different interfaces. And because it has all the skill files, it's going to follow, it's going to understand what protocols to build. It's going to understand how to do it concurrently with using the new Swift stuff. It's going to use the Xcode Build MCP to test it. So it'll launch it in Xcode Build MCP. It'll generate screenshots. It'll test itself and keep iterating until it's done. And that's how Droid Missions works, because Missions has the stuff built in, but it's just going to leverage all these skill files. Yeah. The moment you accidentally open a JSON file with Xcode, bro, I know. Your whole system's like, I have a M3 MacBook Pro Max, 128 gigabytes of RAM. I open up a JSON inside of Xcode, God bless me for 5 minutes. It shouldn't be that. It shouldn't be that challenging, bro. That's where I'm at right now. So yeah, that's kind of what I've been cooking. If y'all just missed that right now, this is the sauce where I'm going to show you one more time because this is so crazy right now. I don't think y'all really know this. So yeah, this is what are actually absolutely chef's kiss right now. I mean, we're going to go to the dashboard UI. We're going to basically be able to, you know, interact with our little agent by seeing the chats and stuff, because I want to see like what's been going on with my like Droid, what's going on with Claude Code. I have some stuff running in Claude Code that I need to check up on. Like I just want to have it all in one place. I want to yap my changes and stuff like that, and then like I want to go to the next one, OpenClaw. Okay, cool. Now do this. Okay, now whatever. You know, check the status of the PR review. Okay, sent. You know, like boom. I just tap the next thing and just keep cooking, right? Like that's all you can do. And then if whatever you don't like anything, just stop them all or do whatever. They can keep adding features. So yeah, there's also a thing called Nachi. I don't know if you've seen this thing. I want to show you this real quick. This is really cool. A lot of this stuff is cross-inspired. which is why I love to be on X, is because you can get some sauce. So Adam Little open sourced this thing called Nachi, and Nachi's fire because look at this. This is where that idea comes from the top right there. So I'm gonna incorporate that. Literally, my app is gonna have his sauce inside of my thing, so that way you can control your Claude code. So it's gonna bounce to show you that there's actually something that's going on, and whenever there's an update or something happens, you can punch in and go right into it. So that's, yeah, Adam Little. It's called Nachi, N-O-T-C-H-Y. I don't think you can find it on Google. All you have to do is type in Adam, L-Y-T-T-L-E, Nachi, and then you'll be able to see this thing. So if you wanted that, you could do that. This is also somebody who actually built the Claude app on the watch, but you can kind of see it's kind of messy. It's hard to read. It's really cool. I like the idea. But the steerability and being able to, this is only for Claude, right? I wanted to do it for basically all of my agents. So that's kind of where I was sitting with that. So sounds like most hackathons these days. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, that's that. I'm still building. I have a, I think what I will do is for anyone in the Discord, I'm gonna drop all of those Swift skills, and I'll drop the links and all this research that I've been doing for getting all the Swift stuff in my Discord. So https://rfer.me/discord. So that's rfer.me/discord. All right, so I want to head back to the stream over here and kind of get back to what's going on because people are cooking and they're about to, I don't know if they're going to announce or see what's going on. So let's see what's up. Yeah. Oh my God, what's going on? Shirts? Oh my open. Yo, Swifties will be go wild. Yeah, Swifties. Yo, Ronald, what's going on, man? Yo, you're live on stream. What's going on, man?
Good to see you.
Yeah,
Well, I just got my T-shirt.
Oh, what the heck?
I just got here.
Oh, my OpenClaw. Can you grab me a large?
Yep.
Yeah, a large or medium. Let's go. Okay. Are they big?
I have no idea.
Large. Let's go.
He is a large.
So what is this? Oh-my-X? Bro, this is crazy.
I guess one of your sponsors.
Okay. Yeah, let's go. I think there's a talk that's going on. I'm going to see if I can go ahead and listen in. Yeah. Let's go. Let me go right here. Oh, yes. Let me get the microphone on the speaker. One sec.
Super exciting progress with Codex. I'm sure many of you have been using it over the course of the day to build things. And I'll maybe show you a few things on what's new and what's on our minds and maybe take a few questions. So that sound good? Yeah? So quick show of hands maybe. Who has been building with Codex today? Quite a few. Awesome. That's amazing. Okay, so the cool thing here about Codex, for those of you who have not really tried it, is that we've been using this coding agent now for some time, and they kind of started to become so good on the model side that we started with this terminal experience. But the challenge is as you start having those models that take on longer and longer tasks, it's really hard to keep up with all of these different things happening at the same time, especially for those agents working for a long time. And that's exactly why we built the Codex app. The idea with the Codex app was to bring one surface where you have all of your projects over here on the left, and you have conversations the same way you would with a typical AI interaction. And here, for instance, if there's an iPhone app I'm working on, I can start right away sending some tasks, like for instance, hey, add a new screen to this iPhone app. I'd like to track the Artemis NASA mission of return to the moon. And here we go. Sure enough, that's a task that Codex will take on. It's going to look at my project. It's going to build and scaffold some new Swift UI components in order to build this app. Meanwhile, I can actually compile and build this app from here. So it's still thinking we won't have this new feature yet, but it's really cool to be able to build native apps completely from Codex. So this is the state it was just before this task was sent. So we'll give it a shot in a minute or so. And you can see the model starting to make progress. And of course, because I have all of my projects on the left side, I can start working on different things, maybe toil that I don't even want to do myself. Let's say, for instance, here, hey, I meant to migrate this app. There's a speech-to-speech integration that was built with WebSockets, and we should migrate this to WebRTC. Sure enough, I don't want to take care of this, but Codex can do it. So you can really see how you start having all of your projects and all of your tasks in one place. Now, the other thing, when it's working on this, the other thing I wanted to show you also is kind of the progress we've made on speed also. We obviously have here GPT 5.4 in fast mode, but what I find very, very compelling too is the Codex Spark model that we put on on Cerebral, thanks to our partnership with them. And so, for instance, if you take a look here, side by side, I have on the left side, I have GPT 5.4 medium, and I'm going to send this prompt to create a song lyric. Meanwhile, on the right side, we have GPT 5.3 Codex Spark, and you have, it's actually quite slow today, but you can see how quickly the whole thing happened.
Crazy.
Now, if you have some tasks, let's say for instance, translating an app in French, I can actually send these two tasks in parallel, and you'll see how quickly Spark will be able to do it. If I'm looking at my app right there in the browser, it's going to be in English for a second, and boom, it's already translated in French. It's pretty incredible how now you can take on tasks in just a few seconds. So that's a quick preview of Codex. And really one of my favorite features of the Codex app, maybe I'll show you, is the ability to kind of take a conversation you started. So I just sent this prompt a few minutes ago, which was to build a very simple game. I can actually pop out this conversation, and I can kind of start building right here while looking at the game. So here I'm looking at the game I'm building, and I can keep on adding things. I can say, for instance, hey, I'd like to have some lobsters. I'd like to have more trees and flowers. And as I'm sending these tasks, I can kind of let the creativity flow, and just in a few seconds, we'll see those changes happen on the screen. So it's pretty compelling. I can even say, hey, I'd like to control my main character with an Xbox controller over here. That's wireless. I have one here, so why not? And I can send this task to Codex and let it run. And the last thing I'll say maybe for what's new this week, there's two things we launched actually in the last couple of days in the Codex app. The first thing is plugins. And plugins is the ability for you to not just bring some skills with MCPs like we had them before, but the ability to bring any kind of context. So imagine you want to use Codex to fetch all of your conversations in Slack, or maybe use Codex to pull documents from Notion, or read your emails and do something interesting with those things. You can now do that with plugins. There's also this one that I find compelling, the ability to build iPhone apps, and you have everything you need with the different skills bundled into plugins now. So we just launched that a couple days ago. We're going to add many more plugins very soon.
Liquid glass, okay.
Meanwhile, speaking of iOS, we can see that this app, for instance, has been, this task has been complete. So I'm going to rebuild the app. Let's take a look at what it built over here. Sure enough, there's a new Artemis mission screen. I had not written a single line of code for this. This is pretty cool.
Wow.
And the second thing I'll mention that we just launched yesterday to kind of help you get inspired by what Codex can accomplish now with all of these plugins. We launched here Codex use cases. So I posted this tweet with the link. And the idea for us is to kind of have multiple ways you can start using Codex. Maybe you're interested in building a game, or maybe you're interested in generating slides, or maybe you want to review your PRs faster. And for each of those, you can actually have all of the details of prompts and skills that we recommend. One thing that I find pretty cool, for instance, here is imagine you have an OpenAI integration, you want to migrate to the latest models. You can simply take the starter prompt that we have, click on here, and that will open it in Codex right away. So in just a click, you can get going and build. So yeah, that's a quick tour of the Codex app, and happy to take any questions. We definitely have some lobsters and some trees and some flowers that appeared over here, so this is pretty cool. Yeah. Yeah, Steer is very interesting. It's something we introduced with GPT 5.3 Codex. Imagine now that those agents take on maybe minutes or hours to complete a task. Well, sometimes, imagine an hour into the task or 20 minutes into the task, you just forgot to tell something to the agent. You can actually keep on sending a message and steer the conversation without starting over. So imagine, for instance, I had said, no, actually not lobsters, I mean something else. You can just actually steer, and during the chain of thought, the model will actually take that new input into account. It's really cool because it's almost like talking to a coworker, right? Imagine I give you a task and like 20 minutes after I forgot to tell you something. Of course, you'll take on the new information and keep going. So yeah, steering is a really, really cool feature. And he is trying to use Playwright to navigate the browser, which is very funny. Cool. Actually, let's... usually, like building an Xbox integration is faster than connecting the controller itself, which is very funny. So we'll see if I can connect the Bluetooth here.
No
What
way.
do you have more questions, maybe?
Wow.
Yeah. Any particular feature in mind for orchestration that you're thinking about? Yeah. Yeah. So we just, that's a good reminder actually, I didn't mention it. We just launched like subagents about like a week or so ago. And what's really, really cool with subagents is that it's pretty broad. Like for instance, imagine you have like tasks that are very, very complex. You could run subagents that are running the most frontier model. But imagine you have tasks that are simpler. You could say, hey, you can use some GPT-5.3 Codex Spark for these tasks because they're very smart. Or you can even let Codex decide. So yeah, this is the first step for us, the ability to kind of spawn subagents of different kind of level of intelligence, depending if you need those frontier models or if you just need the speed. And the other thing that I did not mention besides subagents is also when you have like tasks that you want to run at a very specific cadence. Imagine you want to, every 2 hours, you want to review your PRs or you want to like address some comments in your PR. We also have like automations in the Codex app. So it's another way to kind of like think about how do I kind of use coding agents in the background to do things proactively for me, which is pretty cool. And if we go back to our game, let's see, do you have the controller? I think my controller is not connected yet. We'll fix this. Any last question, maybe? Okay. Yeah. Oh, these are like essentially like plugins or skills. So like imagine here, for instance, if you go back to plugins, I'm gonna close this. Imagine I go back to plugins. So these are the plugin catalog that we have. And imagine I want to integrate with Figma. In fact, I have an example here that I did not show you, but imagine the designer is giving me this. Imagine I have like a complete Figma template and I want to turn it into an actual web page. Well, typically, what I could do is to go back to the Codex app and I could start a task here, and I could basically say that one is a bit tricky with one hand, but if I do the / command, you'll see now that I have like the ability to use Figma right here and basically tell the model, hey, I want you to integrate this particular Figma design. I'm gonna paste the URL right below. And if I were to take, like, for instance, if I were to take like the URL right here of my Figma design, then it's pretty magical because then like the Figma plugin will know how to connect to my Figma account, pull all of the details of that component and be able to like include it. And here what's nice is like if you use Figma in a way where you have like all of the details, like the variables you're supposed to use, then Codex will be able to pull all of those details using the Figma plugin. So then you end up with like in one shot, that's how I built this one. So it's like basically 0 shot, not even me trying to tweak the design at all. It was just like pulling directly from Figma using the plugin. One last maybe, yeah?
Crazy.
Oh, so all of these plugins are, so there's a few different kinds of plugins, right? For instance, if I'm using the Figma plugin, I will connect my Figma account directly, and it could be like a free account or a pro account, and same goes for any of those tools, right? If I want to connect my GitHub, my Notion, my Gmail, whatever you can do with these plugins will depend on like the kind of account you have with those. And some of these plugins are also just like local tools, right? They don't even need an account. For instance, and if I want to test an Android app, that does not need an account of any kind. But if I want to deploy my app to Vercel, I will be able to connect my Vercel account one time. And it's pretty cool because I can build any app, any game, and I can tell Codex to just deploy this game to Vercel. Wow. And then behind the scenes, it will just know how to do it.
Let's do it.
Okay, yes.
yo, we gotta build our app in Codex.
Do you mean like a
app
task that
right
doesn't
now,
work or
right?
something?
We'll do the first MVP on the Codex. Yeah, this is Romain Huet. Yes, thank you.
Yeah,
Thank
you know,
Alex.
it's funny. I was having like a conversation this week with like some executives that never built an app, right? And they try to build something, and at some point they break a feature in their app, and they turned to me and they said, "Hey, this feature used to work a few minutes ago. It doesn't work anymore." I'm like, "Just say that to Codex." And they told Codex, "Hey, the feature doesn't work anymore." Sure enough, Codex was able to fix it. So
Epic.
it's quite magical in these days where like you can just tell the coding agent what's wrong and just tell Codex and trust it to kind of fix the issues for you. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Yeah. Yeah. Yes, we are working on remote connections. That should land very soon. And the idea will be that like you could use this Codex app essentially as your interface, and you could have a dev box where the inference and all of that kind of like is being called. So if you close your laptop for a day and come back, like those things could keep on going.
Oh,
So
hell
I know it's a very, very popular feature request that we've received. We just want to make sure it's well polished, but yeah, remote connections are coming.
Whoa, you heard that here first. No one's talking about this right now. That's insane.
Yeah, well, man, now I'm going to actually reverse the question in some ways. Well, like sometimes people ask me, what do you use Codex for? And in fact, for me, I don't think there's a single task at work that I don't use Codex for. Like literally all my things. Like, you know, if I step away from Slack for 2 hours because I'm in meetings,
yes,
I cannot even keep up. Like Codex is able to fetch all of the Slacks. Where do I need to have my attention? If I want to send like a weekly update of what we've done, we'll find everything from Slack and Notion and other places to write the reports. If I have a presentation to make, Codex is going to make the slides. Like, so it's not just like coding anymore. It's literally like kind of like having this coding agent that's way more than just a coding agent in some way, right? Because you can really delegate all of these things to Codex.
It's an operating system.
And that's kind of the idea
it's crazy.
of us, like also shipping this yesterday. We'll add many more of these, but we wanted to kind of let people be inspired a little bit as to how can you use Codex? What are the kind of things you can do with it? Like for instance, kicking off a coding task from Slack. Oh yeah, if someone is telling me on Slack, hey, have you thought of this feature or there's a bug over here? Sure enough, directly from Slack, I can use Codex. So we're trying to bring all of these collection of use cases to life so people can be inspired as to how they can use AI even more in their daily workflow.
That's fire. That's fire. So fire. They're asking questions and I don't have a microphone over there.
Oh, for if I'm reviewing the code that's produced, you mean? I mean, we do look at the code, but like we trust Codex more and more. Like there's always a human that's accountable for the code being merged, right? And we want to make sure we have high quality code, but more often than not, we also use code review by Codex. And code review by Codex actually catches things that sometimes our very best engineers would miss. And so that's now this like fascinating thing where like, of course, we want to make sure the code is very high quality, and that's where like Codex really, really excels actually, having the full picture of your code base to make like high quality code, but also like pairing a lot more with Codex to make sure the code review is really good too. So yeah, I think we're on time, right? I'm not sure who's the timekeeper. I don't have a timekeeper. I guess I'll take yours.
A lot of people are interested in Codex right here.
Yeah, there's both. Yeah, so if you there's some develop. So we have Codex code review on GitHub for all our engineering team at OpenAI. So every single PR is reviewed by Codex, and we found like some amazing results with this. Usually, when people use other coding tools and they're not sure they want to switch, I tell them just try code review. You'll be impressed. Take a look at what it will find. But also, if you're a developer kind of building a feature, you may want to hit the slash review along the way. So it can be like a nice thing to have your local review as you're building. But yeah, we have also Codex code reviewing on GitHub, so you can automatically like review PRs.
Epic. So fire.
So you can have like an automatic review coming in, but you can also trigger it manually. So for instance, imagine like you have a PR coming in, Codex tells you, hey, heads up, there are 2 major bugs and this is why. And you're like, well, okay, fair enough, at Codex, go fix them. It will actually fix them in place in that PR. And sometimes you're done, you're ready to merge, or sometimes it'll be like, okay, we're good to go, but by the way, there's one that's a bit of a minor bug, but flagging to you anyway. But we're trying to make sure there's not too much noise in those PRs. And most of the time, if the code is high quality, Codex is just putting a thumbs up, nothing to say.
Yeah, native code is the best.
Sweet.
Yeah.
That's amazing. Thank you so much for having me.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yo, thank you, Romain. So, please give him a big applause again. And next up, Mo Tiwari. Actually, he's a technical staff at DeepMind, so he knows this space inside and out. So, Mo.
Yes. Thank you very much, GB and Romain, for the previous talk. It was fantastic, and I learned a lot about what's going on at OpenAI. So this is fantastic to be here. I hope everyone's been enjoying the hackathon. We're going to do this talk a little differently than the previous one. So I'm going to tell you about myself, what I'm thinking about at a high level, and where I think the field is going, and then give you all answers to your questions and the opportunity to ask questions of me. I'll talk very little about actually Google's product offerings. So about myself, my recent history as a computer scientist, I did my PhD in computer science at Stanford. I was advised by Sebastian Thrun, who's also very popular in the tech and startup space. Afterwards, I was at OpenAI for 1.5 years, and about 6 months ago, moved over to DeepMind. And I've worked on everything across the stack, from pre-training and post-training and RLHF to safety classifiers and other auxiliary models that we deploy in production at OpenAI and Google Scale. I joined Google about 6 months ago. I work on personalization for Gemini. So knowing what we know about you, how do we make the Gemini outputs more valuable for you based on everything we know about you from your product behavior across other Google services. I also work a lot on verifiability and other domains in which we expect AI capabilities and frontier models to really pop off very soon. So now I'll go into some of my opinions to start the conversation and then open up the floor to questions. I think as everyone has seen here today, coding tools are
So basically,
incredibly
what we're
powerful.
watching is
make apps and
the other stream right now is in
There's
Korea, and you'll see them behind us on the screen because we're basically co-streaming right now. Crazy! It's actually happening at the same time.
Today, and many of you have actually created very impressive demos in just a day of work that would previously take entire production teams of software engineers. My personal opinion as to why coding has done so well is because it was economically valuable to research. Software engineers these days are expensive, and they comprise a large amount of costs for companies. They take a long time to train software engineers. It takes a very specific skill set. So it's economically valuable, it's hard to bring someone up to speed, and most importantly, it's verifiable at scale. So I can programmatically generate test cases for my software and use that to simulate feedback from my frontier coding models. And I can generate that feedback very, very cheaply. I don't need a human to do it. I can have a model do it using self-play. And there are a lot of other principles of software engineering that make it amenable to traction by frontier models. I think this has really taken off in software engineering also because good software engineering principles lend themselves to task decomposition for frontier models. So if you're building a software program, you want things to be encapsulated in functions. Those functions should be independently testable. They should be modular so that they're general and reusable across different domains. All of these things and good software engineering practices make things better and easier for frontier models to tackle. What are other domains now moving to the future where I think this will be exciting and we'll see disruption? I'm extremely optimistic about AI for math. How many people have done something with AI for math or
These
Lean?
people are here in Korea.
Okay, I see a couple of hands. Very excited to see it. So for those of you who haven't worked with it yet, Lean is a formal verification system, syntax for mathematical theorem proving. And just these days, in the last couple of weeks, really, we're seeing mathematical developments takeoff that are primarily, or at least largely, driven by frontier math models. We've seen progress on Erdős problems, which have been untouched for decades. It's really impressive. Other domains where I think this is going to be impactful include AI for physics. So physics can also be simulable and verifiable in certain domains. We can have environments that simulate physical laws, and we can actually determine and extract the laws out of those environments with enough self-play. I think we're going to see similar patterns in other hard sciences, including biology and chemistry. Right now, if you want to simulate something in chemistry, simulations are extremely expensive. You have to do something like density functional theory to simulate how every electron will move, and this is very, very expensive to get an example. It's much more expensive than getting a coding test case for your software. So how are we going to bring those verifiability and those test cases, the cost of them down for other domains? I think is going to be a key unlock in other sciences, other basic sciences where we're going to see frontier models take off in the near future. So I'm really optimistic about AI for math, physics, biology, and chemistry. I think that there are other ways we can make systems verifiable for human domains. Someone I spoke with here today is working on AI for law. So how do we actually simulate legal outcomes and actually then allow a model to train against those and to tell you what to do in a court case? I'm really optimistic about a lot of these branches into human-centered AI and the way it'll affect every aspect of our lives. So I'll pause here. Thank you all for coming and open up for questions. And I have a favor to ask. When you ask a question, please introduce yourself and tell me a little bit about you. So we've got the first person here.
We can't hear them because they're not mic'd up, but we'll be able to hear the response. So his name is Mo. He currently works at Google DeepMind. He used to work at OpenAI. And just answering some questions now.
Very exciting question, and I'll repeat the question for the audience. So the question was, how much positive task transfer do we see training on verifiable domains like mathematics to other tasks? Is that correct? So I can't speak specifically to GDM's observations, but I do know that there are also some public papers about this, where training on things like coding tasks actually makes your reasoning better, your chain of thought. And we are seeing, although it is rare, we are seeing positive task transfer across seemingly unrelated tasks. I think that having more powerful models will generally be helpful for things that they haven't been trained on as well. That may include physics and math and biology and chemistry. It's not clear a priori what they'll positively task transfer to, at least to me. If you know that, please tell me. Yes, Vladimir.
Yeah, I have a question.
Yes.
I'm a student builder, and you were talking about the software development, and I have a question for you. So for you, what's the separation between the person who's technically strong between the person you would actually bet in the long run?
Okay, so I think the question was, now given our software engineering models, how do we differentiate someone who's very proficient at their job and high leverage versus someone who might not be? Is that the question?
Yeah.
Great. So I think this also goes to how to differentiate yourself as a software engineer when you're empowered with these coding models. And I use these models every day. I have found that I still need to be involved at a very high level to say, hey, this is a bad design decision, or you don't understand this model, how this interacts with the complex systems we've built internally at Google. And the truth is, no one outside of Google does. We have bespoke systems internally, and I need to have experience with them, even though our models are incredible, because they make bad decisions. And that's something that I think someone who might be new to Google or doesn't have experience serving infrastructure at Google scale would not be able to see a priori. So I think it's really about getting your reps in, understanding possible failure modes when you have coding magician at your fingertips, being able to see around corners and get things right the first few times instead of the last few times. Let's say, try 4, 5, and 6. Yeah, thank you, Paula, for the question. Yes, please. Okay.
So someone's asking a question right now, and we don't have a microphone on them, obviously, and the guy who has a microphone, there's only one mic. And so he's going to repeat the question after he hands it back. And the speaker...
Understood.
Right
So, Eric, if I may rephrase your question, it's about how much we're lending credence to the bitter lesson, and let's just scale things up in these new domains, in math and physics and bio and chem, versus how much are we actually handholding these models and imbuing them with inductive biases to do the right thing in these domains. And this is a tricky question to answer. I think that the bitter lessons claim is that all of these inductive biases are simply learning heuristics that make your problem easier and more tractable when you have finite data or finite compute. We saw the bitter lesson really come into play with scaling laws in a lot of different regimes, most notably, of course, perplexity and natural language generation. And when I say we, I don't mean Google, I mean the community. The community has observed scaling laws in other domains as well. That's very well known. And I think that in those cases, the most direct line of sight to having a better model is to scale things up. But we're seeing that in a lot of regimes, we either don't have scaling laws or they don't exist. And in those domains, we have to do something more intelligent. That's probably the most I can say about that. Other questions? Please.
When we are...
Introduce yourself if you don't mind. Hi.
So when we are doing a hackathon, we are implementing in one day very quickly with vibe coding, right?
Right.
Yeah. So my question is like transitioning from a hackathon to like an enterprise grade, like production ready system, you know, that's fully implemented with like 10,000 users.
Right.
So do you see AI coding to be a very important part of the implementation, or do you think that humans always need to be able to read, understand, and put their final touch on that code?
Great. What's our longevity in this field, huh? No, so to rephrase the question, we've seen today it's very easy to vibe code MVPs of different functionalities in isolated environments, but actually deploying these to production scale, especially when that scale is extremely large, is difficult. It requires a lot of systems knowledge, it requires a lot of human in the loop right now, it requires a lot of design knowledge, monitoring, etc. And so I think your question was, where are frontier capabilities going to go in terms of subsuming some of those today human responsibilities? Is that correct? Great. So I do think that this is actually a tricky problem because there are only a few places in the world that have the level of scale as these frontier labs where you get into some really interesting corner cases of deploying things at scale.
The guy speaking, his name is Mo, Tier 1.
At OpenAI and at GDM. You don't see these
If you're on YouTube, you might be able to see his description. The description, I think, is Mo. Or
I think
may not
that
be.
making AI models
Works at
trainable
Google
on those
DeepMind.
problems will be very difficult. I think it will also be very valuable because I see a lot of problems that would be called, like, let's say, staff or principal level software engineering problems that all models across all frontier labs still need to be trained on. Thank you, Jan. Yes, and let me just do a time check if you don't mind, Caleb. GB, how are we? We're over. Okay, great. I'll talk to you afterwards. Thank you, everyone, for coming, and I'm really excited to talk with you more.
So it's time to connect Seoul.
So we're connected to Seoul, Korea.
Just for a second.
So they're literally going to have another speaker from Seoul, Korea, right now live, and it's being broadcast.
Seoul.
We're going to listen to them from Seoul, Korea.
Can you hear
And
us?
They've been listening to us broadcast over there, literally us from there that way. Kind of crazy, right? So yeah, we're going to see if we can listen to it. Super cool.
Oh, no kidding. Hey,
So yeah, the previous guy's name is Mo. He used to work at Google DeepMind, and that's who we were basically listening to. And let me mute the other speaker right now. Okay. So I have a microphone back there. You can see the little black thing. That's my little microphone, and then it's in the line of where that speaker's at, so that way you can hear it. So right now, this mic is currently live, so you can only hear me, but that little black thing right there is going to be picking up that speaker over there. I apologize for the first part because I think it was like flipping a lot because I was right next to the speaker physically. But now I think I should have some better audio, and also I was able to get this cool little like bench section here. So I'm like the only one kind of in the bench. I'm kind of blowing up these guys' spot in their view, but we got to do it for the stream. Y'all get front row seats with me. You know what I mean? I don't think the speaker mic is working. Not right now because it's currently not live. But let me know if you can kind of see this here. So I currently have it muted, and the speaker mic, which is back there, should be able to pick that one up. Let me know if I can get some more gain on it. But right now, the rest of the room is just talking. I might be able to turn on the microphone. Like right now you're picking up the rest of the room. It's kind of low because there's no one talking right now on the speaker. And so I'll show you kind of what it sounds like right now without any noise canceling. The room is really loud. This is how the room sounds like without noise canceling.
I've been there.
See? It's like really loud in here. So let me turn on the noise canceling. And then this one here, we'll have our strong noise canceling stuff. So now we're back to like sounds like studio quality. It wasn't working before, pretty bad audio, but mic works. Okay. Okay. Oh. Okay. Yeah, the audio quality isn't that good. So we're gonna have Jeff Huntley speak soon, and I think they're getting him on the phone right now. Okay, here we go. I think right now.
Okay. So we're connecting Seoul. Geoffrey Huntley, the papa of Ralphathon, is here, and he's gonna show off right a minute. Okay.
Okay, right now it sounds pretty. It's really distorted from their speakers. Let me. So their speaker system sounds really distorted right now. It sounds like really bad Zoom call. You know what I mean?
Hello.
I think you should be able to hear him though. Audio quality from their because it's broadcast remote. Please bear with me. I don't know how it's gonna work. Oh, feedback. Yeah, so there's a lot of feedback right now, and the audio quality is pretty low from the stream. So they're streaming it over Google Meet over to us, and the audio quality is pretty low. Yeah. So I'm just gonna put it back to me. So I turned off that the speaker mic that's back there. It's pretty much turned off right now. So I think they're working on some audio quality issues, and you can see they're kind of scrambling right now. But we'll get this figured out. So yeah. So Jeff Huntley, who's the inventor of Ralphathon, is the one. He's currently it's really so they're still working on the issues because right now it's done through Google Meet, and it's kind of can't really hear anything. Can they do a phone call? Hey, I'm gonna tell them. Yo, can you phone call the Google Meet? Because Google Meet has a phone call option, and then you can put the phone on the mic. Yo. Yeah. So, oh yeah. So Google Meet has a phone call. Like it says, call this number to audio. Yeah. In the settings, it'll say, do you want to dial in for the audio for this meeting? It's probably somewhere in the settings. and it'll say like info. Yeah. And then on the phone, you can put the phone on the microphone and it'll play. And it'll probably be better quality than the stream. Yeah. Use Zoom. No. Yeah. So we're trying to figure out the audio quality, but I think we're it's a little rough right now. Yeah, I muted the external speaker so that way you wouldn't hear the messy stuff right now. So everything is written in Korean right now on the screen. I can't read it, but basically I just told them to use a Google Meet for the call. Yeah. I think also the audio quality for the microphone, wherever they're at, is also pretty bad. Yeah. So we'll see. Does it sound better?
Yeah, I think.
Yeah. It's not loud enough. US? Alex has a US. He can get us a phone or ask Alex. Do you have a cell phone? Yeah. Do you have a cell phone? Because he just needs a US number to call to play through the. Yeah. What's the number for US? Yeah, let me see if I can. She's gonna give the phone number to him, and then they're gonna hopefully get this thing sorted out so we can get some good audio. And so I think the audio that's coming in from remote is pretty good, but when it's played through the speaker here, it's really low quality. And so we're trying to get that. Look at this cool dog. There's a lot of stuff going on right now. So we're just trying to sort that out. Does it work? How's the audio quality? Is it on the speaker again? Oh.
I always feel that if we connect to like our Zoom system on our Wi-Fi,
That's the issue.
We're gonna use Zoom. Is it pretty low quality on the phone too? Oh my god. Okay. You could turn it off. Okay. That way does it? Yes. Perfect. Okay. Cool. Okay. So Zoom works with best high latency. Okay. Yeah, so that's actually what they're doing right now. So Weights and Biases has a Zoom built into their whole ecosystem here. And so they're gonna do the Zoom, and that way it'll be built in with their whole audio system. So yeah, they're actually gonna use Zoom right now. And we're gonna resume after we use the Zoom. And let's see if there's anyone here that wants to talk about what they're building and stuff and see what they're talking about. I'm really curious to see who's gonna win some of this hackathon stuff because we saw some crazy demos right now, you know? It's popping off. And I'm gonna go see if I can find anyone to talk to. I'm gonna find my friend Alex real quick. Yeah. Yes. Yes. Let's see here. Let's see. Boom. Okay. We are so back. We are so back. Okay. Oh, test assist. Okay. Let's see what's going on.
Are going to be there.
What's going on, man?
Still live.
Yeah, we're still live, bro. What's going on?
Yo, live. Oh.
We got famous people?
Oh, famous people. Yay. Can I be famous?
Yeah, you're famous.
I should be.
What's going on, man? Anything cool? What's the details? Any more codex secrets?
The thing is, oh yeah, the codex secret is dope. Romain is like just like chatting with folks.
Yeah.
They're trying to set up a multi-international kind of stream.
Yeah.
We'll have AGI before we have Zoom or Google Meet working. I'm telling you.
Yeah, yeah.
It's like awful.
Across the Pacific.
Geoff
yeah.
Huntley, the creator of Ralph, is in Seoul, and it's impossible to hear him here.
Yeah.
But hey, hackathons are hard, man.
Yeah.
Hackathons are hard.
Especially like the one that just comes together super fast.
Yeah.
Oh, they got pizza.
They got pizza, but they're not allowing people to eat the pizza because they want to like finish up.
Oh, okay. And finalists hopefully soon. Did Romain already peace out? Did Sean and Romain already head out?
Romain's over there.
Okay. Oh yeah. Cool.
Slick's already
in and out.
You guys, I want to like appreciate Ray here for a minute. This live stream has been going on for a minute, and kudos on you of sitting here and like reacting as well. It's really helpful when you guys send reactions, because sometimes we'd be streaming and there's like no comments, and then we know folks are listening, but like there's no comments, and it's really annoying. You guys are a great crowd. Ray's stamina is very, very impressive. The setup that he does for you is very impressive. So kudos on all of you of sitting like in Ray's channel and tuning in, because he brings you like the heart of San Francisco.
Yeah.
That's what I like to do as well. Like people, not often people can travel to these events. Some people are like outside. So this is what we like to do as well.
Yeah, I'm trying to get him set up because you're going to AI Engineer.
Yes.
And then maybe I'll let him borrow my stream while I sleep, and he could just broadcast to.
I would love to restream to Ray Fernando's friends, man. I'd love that.
No, but you can add your own things.
Oh, that's
You don't have to pay
true.
like $150 for that server.
That's true.
You
That's
try it
gonna be
out.
dope, man.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'll hook you up.
Ray does rock, folks, and give him the super follow, whatever YouTube thing is. Yeah, give him that.
Let's go from Berlin. Dang. Yo,
Oh yeah, that's gonna be dope.
you
Like,
guys
there's
must be
quite a
sleeping right
few of you folks are watching. Can you say where you guys are watching tuning in from?
where's
Do you do
everyone
this
from?
already or
No,
not?
I haven't done it yet. Yeah, let's do it.
This is dope. We'd love to see an international crowd. We have Japanese folks here, Korean, somebody from Ecuador.
Yeah, Ecuador, right?
Ecuador.
Yeah.
There's a Ukrainian dude. There's
Yeah.
like quite a few folks there.
Crazy.
Yeah, so we'd love to see where you guys are from. Oh, Oslo, dude.
Oslo, yeah,
Let's
ATL,
go.
let's go.
Let's go, ATL in the house.
Any Hawaii folks in the building? Hawaii? I think we had a couple of folks from Hawaii earlier. SF, I think we got someone from SF says like, I'll be right there in 5 minutes. Tell me where it's at.
Yeah,
I'll
it
see
should
you in
come through.
Japan. Dang.
Aussie in Japan, let's go.
Let's go. Roll call. Montana.
Okay.
Gee, let's go. How's the weather right now? New Zealand. Dang.
Romain is like nearly.
Yeah, he's mobbed. Did you get ATX? Let's go. There's some great OpenClaw events in Austin you should visit.
Oh, that's dope.
ATX.
Invite us.
Yeah, invite us, yeah. Let's go. What codex questions do people, or what do you guys want to ask to Romain? You know?
Yeah, you guys have any codex questions or tips or issues or problems?
Right,
I actually do have a problem to tell Romain, but like I can't capture him.
Yeah.
Because he's busy with other folks. And I can like, I probably have access to his.
Yeah. Brazil. Wow. Rock.
Let's
Dang,
go.
let's go.
This is an international crowd, folks.
Yeah, this is crazy internet. NYC, let's go.
I want to ask another question, live stream question. I never asked this. How did you
Yeah.
guys find out about Ray?
Yeah,
All of you on the stream, where did you find this? Via YouTube, via Twitter, via Substack, via
Apparently
whatever?
LinkedIn, Jody on the
Oh,
LinkedIn.
there's one on LinkedIn. I always have one person on LinkedIn. There's the one
go.
person dedicated.
I
But
think Jody's my first. on
how'd you guys
LinkedIn.
find out about Ray Fernando streams?
Yeah, I'm curious.
Would love to know.
I have no clue. I still got the little claw. This thing's hilarious. Yeah. How to build with Sora.
We're laughing because the comments for us are a little bit of a delay. But somebody says how to build Sora with Codex.
Yeah.
Because OpenAI kind of like famously killed Sora.
YouTube
It's really
recommended
funny.
legend. YouTube feed. Let's
Oh,
go.
YouTube feed. Let's
Yeah,
go.
YouTube.
Dude, I need to go live for longer. I need
Yeah,
to just like sit
yeah.
in YouTube for lives.
Yeah, no, and then like just vibe, like make an app. Yeah, like
Yeah.
this guy cooks, bro. Like just even you live testing stuff.
Yeah.
Just like I'm gonna test Gemini.
Dude, I
Yeah.
test everything all the time.
Yeah.
I just need to like get in the
Yeah,
cadence of
no,
streaming.
just turn it on. Like I'm gonna vibe live and just
Yeah.
because you get access to the stuff sometimes early too.
Yeah, that's true.
And just say, hey, it's okay if I
Cannot
stream.
stream those though. I have early access to stuff.
Yeah.
I cannot stream.
After stream, yeah. What's going on?
Hello.
What's going on?
So this guy will be the next generation of true builders.
Oh.
How are you?
Yeah.
Have you interviewed here?
Oh, not yet.
Oh yeah, you should, definitely.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Who are you?
I'm Min. So one of the oh-my-opencode maintainer.
Oh, you're one of the OpenClaw maintainers.
Oh yeah.
Let's go.
Look at these t-shirts.
Whoa. Okay, let's get your handle. Let's go.
Yeah.
Yo, your name is Min Peter?
Yeah.
What's that, your handle? Wait, what's your handle?
Min Peter
Ah.
and Min. So my Korean name.
And that's one of your OpenClaw maintainer?
Yeah.
That's good. You're one of the maintainers of OpenClaw?
Oh yeah.
Okay, and then tell us what else you do from Legends. Yeah.
Who watching this?
Lots of people. Yeah.
Lots of people?
And then one of the apps that's here, they're
Oh,
clipping
yeah.
my live stream live.
Oh.
While we're watching this. So,
Interesting.
yeah, the app is clipping live. Yeah, that's one of the hackathons.
Yeah. What can I say?
Anything you want. Yeah. This is what are you working on? You working on OpenClaw? Did you participate in the hackathon?
Not really.
Where are you from?
I'm from South Korea.
You flew from South Korea?
Oh yeah.
To here in San Francisco.
Oh yeah. For the oh-my-opencode conference today.
Oh, you went from the other conference, oh-my-openclaw?
Oh yeah.
Oh,
This is
I'm the codex.
No, this is our symbol.
Okay.
So, and we have the QR code.
Oh, okay. Let me put the code so that people can scan it on the screen.
Oh, but
it says start.
His QR code actually not work.
Oh, boo.
It's broken.
It's broken. Okay. Wow, that's crazy, man. Yeah. So what are you working on? An agent or?
Yeah, coding agent.
Okay.
Or just the agentic harness.
Yeah.
So if you guys any interest, so please follow me in the GitHub. So my nickname is Min Peter.
MINPETER.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
And there is so many projects currently doing, and
Okay.
including oh-my-open-agent.
Oh wow. Oh-my-open-agent.
Yes.
This
Previous
guy
oh-my-opencode.
is oh-my-open-code, aka oh-my-open-agent.
Yeah. Right.
Wait, you're the guy.
No. The guy is there, but I'm one of maintainer. I will introduce the
Yeah,
queue.
let's go.
Yeah, let's go.
What?
Yeah.
Welcome to San Francisco.
Oh yeah.
This is crazy.
This is San Francisco.
Oh, do you know what this person says?
Yeah.
What's it say?
Oh, 안녕하세요 is say hi.
Oh, hi.
Yeah.
Ah, how do you say hi? How do you say it in Korean?
안녕하세요.
안녕하세요.
Oh yeah, that's
Okay.
right.
안녕하세요. Yeah. Okay. Go. Let's go.
Hey Q,
안녕하세요.
do you want to interview?
Okay. Let's go. These guys are just chilling.
Hi.
oh-my-opencode.
Hey,
Hi.
hey, come
Nice
here.
to meet you. Yeah.
The both guy is the big open source creator.
No
He's
way.
the Q and oh-my-opencode maintainer.
Oh. Wow.
He's the-
44 stars.
Yeah, 44
44K stars.
44K stars.
Yeah, we have 44K stars on the GitHub, and he has like 14K stars.
I'm 18.
18.
I have 18, accumulated of 18. Yes, sir.
What? And you guys are from Korea?
Yeah, I'm from Korea. We are from Korea. All the way
Wow.
from Korea.
What's your favorite model right now for coding?
It's a coding. For engineering, it's GPT 5.4, but for scaffolding project, Opus. Exactly.
Yeah, but I still prefer Opus.
Okay, Opus, yeah.
Yeah.
Do you plan as well, or like, what's your strategy to make the software or make new features? You do a lot of spec planning and then you hand it off, or how do you, make improvements and stuff like that?
Yeah, actually, we are planning to build some kind of operating system because we are our projects like OMC, OMO, OMX, all those harnesses are not now operated by just humans. It's operated by cloud-like agent orchestrators. So harnesses are used by AIs basically.
Yeah.
So what we are trying to do is more automate the whole dev workflow. So 70 or 80% of our issues and PRs are covered by our AI agents while we are asleep, actually, until March.
Yeah.
That's so cool.
Yeah, of course. I know about OpenCode.
Oh, really?
Like,
You
you
know.
know OpenCode? I was
Oh,
like,
yeah.
he's here?
Oh-my-opencode.
Like,
Yeah.
I didn't realize you're from Korea. And
Yeah. We just had a conference today, and after that, we are
Where was the conference?
Frontier Tower.
Oh, yeah, Frontier. Oh.
Yeah, Frontier
Was
Tower.
there a lot of people?
Yeah, I could,
Yeah, it's live. Yeah, watch. Yeah, if you can show them right now.
Yeah.
Open your. You could tap the live. You go to live video. That's us right now.
Oh,
We have-
wow. So many people.
And also on YouTube too. Also on YouTube.
Oh.
Yeah. We're live on YouTube.
So
We're
cool.
live on LinkedIn. We're live on X. Yeah. Let's see what the QR code. I want to have them scan it. So scan it. Turn it. Okay. Yo.
This one too.
Oh, this one. Wow.
No, this one works.
And it's a star on the GitHub.
Yeah.
So it's your
Start
GitHub
to the
project.
GitHub.
It's
Yeah,
oh-my-opencode.
GitHub.
So, what do you think is the next feature you're going to be building right now?
Actually, we were talking about all these things that we can do harness is kind of over. So we're building another agent stuff. Yeah.
More agents. Yeah.
More agents.
More agents.
On
Like
top of the
long-running agents or-
long-running agents, but
Harness operating agents.
Oh,
it's
harness.
harness operating agents.
Okay.
So the gateway in the operating system layer.
Got it.
Yeah.
How do you monitor all of the work that's being done? Because that's my problem.
They report. They report us.
No. I mean, you know, I have like 10 windows open, and then I go get some coffee, and then I want to go check on my.
let your agents to work with those 10 agents. Yeah. It's all about the system, and I think it's pretty similar to how we can work with another human.
I see.
So it's all about system building, I think.
I see.
And if we can, make those layers abstracted, I think we can make much more greater and bigger teams on top of the agents.
So you think that the models are smart enough? A lot of people in the U.S. say, "Oh, it generates a lot of bad code," and I don't think so.
I'm
But,
sorry,
like,
but like skill issues.
Skill issues.
Sorry, I'm sorry.
skill issues.
100% skill issue. 100%.
Hold on. Let me clip that. Let's go ahead and clip it. What is it again?
100% skill issue.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Let's go.
It must be.
Hey. So you heard it here first. Oh-my-opencode. So it's now called
Code and Codex.
Oh, oh-my-codex. Skill issue. If you're getting slop from your LLMs, skill issue, bro.
Yeah, we have accumulated files of 70K.
70K.
Give them what's that?
His stars, my stars combined 70K.
70K. Yeah. These guys are walking the walk and talking the talk.
Yeah.
Combine these guys.
We are spending like 2 billion tokens a day.
2 billion tokens a
Yeah.
day.
Per person.
3 comma club. So in Silicon Valley, the TV show, have you heard Silicon Valley? Yeah. There's a guy that says they want to make 3 commas, which is $1 billion. So I make a meme online. I say, if you can spend 1 billion tokens a month, you're in the 3 comma clubs for 1 month. But you guys not do it in 1 month.
Yeah.
They do 1 billion tokens
Per day.
per day.
Yeah.
Per day, bro.
Build things, guys. Build things.
Build things.
Build things.
Wait, so where are you getting all these tokens from? Like OpenAI, Anthropic? How many subscriptions and pro accounts do you have?
Actually, I have like
3 to 5 each. 3 to 5 each providers. Yeah, Pro or Max plans, and I also use Chinese subscriptions for lower maintenance jobs like Minimax, Kimi, and everything. Yeah, I have all Max plans.
similar here, and I also leverage a lot of Chinese models. So yeah.
Wow, I feel like I'm speaking to legendary people. I mean, like, I don't think I've seen or heard from people that are like this locked in. But these guys ship. These guys ship software. They're not here like I'm just generating tokens. They're like
You can see live commits. I shipped a newer version today with my claw at the OMACon. Actually.
Bro.
I shipped the 1 version and it did its hotfix and I did in 30 minutes. So I have 2 releases today.
Wow.
During the conference.
That's amazing. That is so amazing.
Actually, I don't even open the OpenCode or terminals at all. Like my bot's in here. Like my bot's in here. It's building himself.
Let me show the chat this way.
Yeah, this
is how you.
This is how I make and do everything.
Event gateway just.
Just all from the Discord.
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 And
Our terminal is
since this is a public Discord, you can find this from the GitHub, so you can actually see in real time. I don't even open OpenCode.
Same for my repos. My repos.
We don't even open terminal.
Yeah, if you post an issue on my GitHub even while I sleep, you will get comments or PRs within 30 minutes shipped.
These guys are crazy.
Yeah. We
So,
don't.
are you guys going to be around for a while in the US, or are you going back?
Unfortunately, I'm leaving in March 30th.
March 30th.
March 30th. I have to do something in Korea, so yeah.
Oh,
The day after he's leaving, I'm gonna leave too.
Okay, so that's a couple days from now, huh?
Yeah. A couple days.
Man, I need to get you back on the live stream. Yes. Cool.
That's for sure.
Yes. Also, if I look at oh-my-opencode, oh-my-opencode, our codex, yeah, we got to hit them up.
Great to be here.
We need to learn how these guys are super cracked.
Join our Discord to see in real time.
Okay. Yes.
Ray's a great guy.
Yeah.
Ray's a great guy.
Cool. Awesome. We'll see ya. Yeah. Cool. Awesome. These guys are cracked. Absolutely cracked. I can't believe the level of lock-in these guys have is just kind of insane. Yo, what's going on? Yo, what's going on, man? Yo, what do we got going on here?
This is Ryan.
Hey, Ryan.
What's going on? Hi,
We're on
Ray.
a live
Nice
stream,
to
bro.
meet you.
Yeah, nice to meet you.
I love the lobster, the claw.
Yeah,
Is
we
that
have
right?
this nice cinematic effect right now. It's
Oh my
This is
God.
like a vibe right here. Yeah.
Is the golden hour?
Yeah, it's the golden hour. We have the vibe. Yeah, what's going on, man?
Whoa.
Yeah, we got a bunch
here
of-
we go.
Yeah. So what you working on?
I am working on a startup that implements agents for small business.
Okay, cool. What is it?
So the name of the startup is called SideChat.
Okay, SideChat.
So it's an agentic platform.
Okay.
Right? And it's easy to just sign up as a small business owner. I'm a small business owner myself. And you can go in, click of a button, spin up an agent, and it's already set up with browser, email, calendar, its own file system. It's secured.
Wow.
And, if you're a small business owner that's not technical like me, I'm not going to go in and I could try to figure out OpenClaw.
Right.
But, something like this I think is way easier.
So is it ready to use now? Or
Yeah, you can jump on it right now. Side.chat.
Side.chat. Sign up, chat.
This is live right now?
Yeah, it's
We're
live right now. Yeah, people are
Okay,
going to start
this is
to sign up right
awesome.
now. Literally, yeah.
Side.chat.
Side.chat. Okay. And then, so is it any specific type of business that this works for, or hair salons, barbershops, can I set up an agent to be your receptionist,
So, one, when I say small business, right? I'm a small business owner myself.
Yeah.
I consult for a lot of small businesses.
Got it.
I'm thinking revenue size from 1 million annual revenue to say 10 million annual revenue.
Got it.
Range of businesses.
Yeah.
And the thing that I'm helping them do is use SideChat, use this agent to understand your business. And I want this agent thinking about how to help you grow your business.
I see.
Every single day.
Wow.
Right? That's the thing about
Yeah.
agents, right? They don't sleep.
Right.
So just think if you had an agent that knew your business, it's in your systems, and every single day.
Do you have an invite code?
I do.
Japanese an invite code.
I do have an invite code. Are you for real right now?
Yeah, dude, I'm for real.
You're for real right
This
now.
is live stream.
Okay,
This is
all right, hold on,
Let's
team.
go. Lock in.
Okay, I've got.
Yeah, we were just talking to some guys over there who are committing code while they're here. New features every 30 minutes, like PRs.
Okay, all right.
They
This
got
is for
crazy
real.
stars. This is not.
Oh my god.
This is next level streaming right now.
Okay.
Okay, invite code, please.
You
Yeah,
want- you
everyone's hitting invite code. Invite code. Invite code.
Oh my god. Can I just
dump them in the chat?
Can I just put them in the chat? You want me to just hold them
Oh,
up on screen or something?
yeah, see if you can-
literally these are the codes.
Okay, cool. Yeah, if you could wait, let's see if we can get these. Actually, maybe you can text it to me, and then I'll just send it to
yeah,
people
let me
on
text
stream.
it to you. Yeah.
Yeah, I'll.
Yeah, go ahead. Just do whatever you gotta do.
I'll
Yeah.
text it to me, and then I'll put you guys. Yo.
All right.
Let's see. Okay, so there's 5 or something of them.
Yeah, go ahead. Use all 5.
Okay, cool. Yeah,
Do it.
let's walk over to my desk right now, and let's go get this set up.
Okay.
Okay, cool.
Sweet.
Yeah. So yeah, tell us a little bit more because they're about to announce the
Yeah.
winners. I think somewhat soon.
Okay.
Okay, so they're going to get the judges together. So we're trying to get you those invite codes right now. So tell us more about the SideChat thing. Yeah. Oh, we're here. Yeah. Cool. I'll let you cook.
All right.
You can talk to the
Yeah,
chat.
pull it in.
I'm gonna put it in the chat right now.
Yeah, go ahead, pull it in.
Yeah.
All right, so yeah, you're gonna go to side.chat, sign up like, any other platform, use one of the codes, it'll set you up. Normally it's like $200 a month, right, as a SaaS model. But yeah, use one of the codes, so there's only 5 of them, so whoever uses them first, gets it. You start, you spin it up, literally just click a button that says create an agent. It'll ask you to name it, right? And it'll ask what you want it to do. And honestly for me, again, as a small business owner, I'm like, what do I want this thing to do? Literally when I got set up with my agent, I was like, make me more money, right? That's what I told it to do.
Yeah.
And it came back and said how much money do you want to make?
Whoa.
It was like, how much money do you have?
How much money do you have? Seriously? Can you hook up a bank account or something to it?
So I just gave it my numbers. Okay. I was like, okay, here's my stuff. Help me. And it came up with a strategy for me.
Whoa.
Right?
Yeah.
And it basically was like, what you're currently doing is not going to work.
Whoa.
It's like you need to kind of go to the next level. So anyway, that was pretty awesome. And I'll admit, I'm just sharing my experience, right? So whatever. Do what you want to do with your agent.
Yeah, so basically what I have right here is the website pulled up. It's called side.chat or whatever. And this is the whole thing right here. And see how it works. It's got this whole thing where it can actually tell you about the decisions and stuff like that. Really nicely designed, man. Holy smokes.
Yeah.
Wow. So, and then I've also put the codes in the chat, so you'll see them here. They're basically streaming up $10 in credits for 1 month. Included storage. Okay. Let's go. They're going to go announce the winners. Let's go. Oh, thanks. Yeah. Let's go. Oh, which one? Who won? Who won? I don't know who won. Let's see who won.
I just want to extend my gratitude to the builders here, the sponsors here who have made this hackathon work. Okay, so let's give you applause again. Okay, so before we moving on, the most important part here is that we have the pizzas and codes there. So feel free to go the stairs and get your pizzas, grab your one. Feel free to do it, okay? And before going on to the final round judges, we should announce the top 5 winners.
Yes.
Top 5 we're gonna do some demos, right? Okay, so we will gonna
walk backwards. Yeah.
So we will gonna introduce the top 5, and top 5 team will pitch in front of the final round of judges and to compete for the winners. Okay. Yeah, so before going on that, my name is Sigrid, and I'm also host of the Ralphathon. Really gratitude to the Romain who made this possible, and thank you to the one here and the other sponsors.
No.
2 years.
Yeah.
It's really my kind of gratitude to invite him to do some of the live stream stuff. Okay, so let's just jump into the announcement of the Type 5 teams. So.
Drum roll.
Those teams are expected to come to the podium and give 5 minutes pitch, including Q&A sessions. Okay? So maybe drum roll. So the first team that will be in the final round is JSR. And the JSR team here? JSR? Woo!
I don't think we talked to him yet. I claim.
Bring your laptop and to be here, okay?
Let's go. Yeah. Memori, was wall, and Orchid.
Things you have done in your growth to life. Okay, so these are the 5 final teams. that we're gonna like pitch for the final round. So
Wow.
please arrange
Memory.
bring your laptops and your pizzas as well. So we will start our round of judging and the pitching around 7:12, 5 minutes later. So please be seated. So please be arranged for that, okay? So those 5 teams are required to
Let's go. Did you guys make it? What's your name?
Our team name?
Yeah.
It's our team is WatchClaw.
WatchClaw.
Yeah.
Wow. Whoa. What's this? What does it do?
We are Agentic Firewall.
Oh, Agentic Firewall.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
You have to stick around to see what we actually built.
Yo, I could probably guess. You probably make a bunch of honeypots for the agents to trap themselves, right? You make a lot of honeypots for the agents to trap themselves?
Oh yeah, we used our Lord Karpathy's auto researcher.
Seriously?
Yeah.
That's crazy. Okay, so that's called Agent Wall or whatever?
It's named after our team. So this is Benji. So W Ash.
Yeah.
Anya A.
Yeah.
S for Sarah.
Cool.
Last wall.
Amazing. Cool. Well, you should get some food when you get a chance, and we'll come back, I guess. Let's go. Amazing. I'm gonna get some food too. Yeah, this is crazy. Next time, huh? You guys didn't win, huh? No. It's a cool project. I want to check it out. Yeah. That's so cool. Yeah, these are my friends here from Korea, and they made a really cool app that lets you basically clip live streams with games like in real time. So as the game is being played, it gets clipped. So it's kind of crazy. So yeah, cool. Thank you guys. Cool. Yeah, a lot of people. I mean, this is crazy how international this whole thing is. Okay, they're gonna give their pitch in 5 minutes. There's a huge line for the pizza. I can't eat this pizza because it's not gluten free. I think it's probably from Costco or something. I think it is. Yeah, it's Costco pizza. But I came prepared because I got gluten-free pizza last night, and I'm gonna eat some gluten-free pizza right now. So let's go get some food. I'm super hungry. Yeah, this place is crazy. Yum. Let's see. Still online. So yeah, let's lock in for a sec. Wow, what a stream. This is crazy. Okay. Oh my. Okay. All right, lots going on. So we have about 5 minutes to basically eat and figure out what's going to be happening for the finalists. What have you guys liked so far? I'm kind of curious. It was really fun to kind of chat with some of the folks there as far as the different projects and get to chat with Alex. Where are y'all at? We're basically in San Francisco. This is the heart of San Francisco in the Weights and Biases office. So they were really cool to say, hey, we have some space. We can actually fit you for the hackathon. And that's basically how it went down. Because originally this was just going to be like 50 people. They outgrew the space. And I said on Twitter, I was like, who's got a space big enough? And Weights and Biases was like, yo, we can do it. We have a big space. Let's just check. So they checked and they were able to get the space cleared out. Basically from like on a Monday or Tuesday to like today on a Saturday. Crazy. Oh man, I need to watch more of your streams. Oh, it's really cool, man. When are you going to do open source Apple Watch stuff? The Apple Watch stuff, I'll open source probably like next week. But to be honest, those kids who are just cracked from Korea who have that oh-my-opencode and oh-my-claude-code or whatever, bro, like what am I doing right now? My agents should be doing this for me while I'm sleeping. But like 1 billion tokens a day, like they use 1 billion tokens a day. They have like 3 to 5 pro accounts. What am I doing with my life right now? Yo, 1 billion tokens a day. If you generate AI slop, it's a skill issue. I don't think we're ready for this yet. People in America are complaining about AI slop. That's the wrong thing to be complaining about. We need to lock in right now. These kids are locked in and shipping like insanely crazy, bro. 1 billion tokens a day. 3 to 5 pro accounts. All across the board. Opus, Claude, That app, if I don't have it by tomorrow, I'm cooked. Bro. Like these 5 kids are just gonna come up and just based off the idea on this live stream, I'm pretty sure they're gonna have an app ready in like 3 hours. Clearly. Like I barely used 1 billion tokens like in a month. My bar is not up here. Like I'm not trying hard enough. If I'm not using 1 billion tokens a day, y'all gotta lock me down. Say no. Bro, right? No. These kids don't play, bro. They almost have 100K GitHub starts combined. I got already limited on a 3-hour Ironman training. Yeah. You're not going hard enough, bro. You gotta go. That's just one account. You need to get like 3 more accounts, bro. Jason, I love you, man, but we gotta go hard. Korea? These kids don't play. Bro, this is life. Y'all see them in StarCraft, right? I'm just saying. I'm just saying. Oh, man. I can't right now. I can't. I literally can't. Bro, I mean, can you believe? Bro. Right now we're in a pizza break. You should get one from Codex. Okay, so I literally canceled my pro account because I've been so into the other different accounts that I'm just like reactivating it. We're so, bro, 1 billion tokens a day. Those kids from the oh-my-opencode.
Yeah.
I missed the pizza, so I'm gonna go get
Okay.
the next one.
Yeah,
cool.
go ahead.
Bro, well, let me. I'm just having a moment with my live stream.
Yeah.
Because they don't, like, we were just talking to these kids.
Yeah.
They literally spend 1 billion tokens a day. They
1
have
billion or 1 million?
1 billion, bro.
Yeah.
3 to 5.
Yeah, it's easy. With sub-agents?
But they make the thing that codes better than like codexes. That you've heard that oh-my-opencode, oh-my-codex.
I saw them, but
Yeah,
I
they're
haven't
here.
heard of this.
They had their
Yeah.
own conference at Frontier Tower.
Yeah.
After that, they just came here.
Oh,
They're like
okay.
PRs every 30 minutes, reviewing and just shipping like.
Yeah.
I'm like, I
Dude, a team that does automation, that's fine. I have some people on the podcast that do 1 billion a day, one person with sub-agents.
That's them. That's
Yeah,
them.
That's
them.
crazy.
I was saying, like, if they're that good in StarCraft in Korea, and I'm not using 1 billion tokens a day, I need to step it up. I was just having this moment right now. I was like, I don't even. And they said, I said, what about AI slop? Everyone here in America is concerned about AI slop.
Yeah.
And they said, skill issue.
Yeah. Okay.
Literally, bro.
Okay, so tokens per day is such a bad estimate of productivity, like lines of code.
Mhm.
You remember the whole thing with like people measure lines of code
Yeah,
per
CEOs are
developer,
like,
whatever? It's all BS. It depends on what you actually do with this. If you're running production stuff, fine. If you're just doing like loops that don't do anything and they fix themselves, it doesn't matter how much tokens you spend. So saying skill issue, it's partly marketing. Partly marketing. A lot of these folks are marketers. Yeah. And also like, not to throw shade on Anthropic, and I love their models. Their infra right now suffers. And they are not using humans anymore. They're pretty much using Slopus. And so there is a chance, some chance, we don't know, that Anthropic's
I mean, if you have these tools,
infra,
and they're telling you to use the tools, wouldn't you be using the tools that would build the tools?
like their infra is going down not because of the lack of GPUs. They can lower the GPUs. It's going down because of bugs. They're using a lot of code from cloud. OpenAI is 100%.
Wow.
I don't know. But you guys are beasts for sitting here on the stream with
Locked
Ray.
in. They're locked in.
Locked in.
We're eating food. They're vibing right now. They're trying to spend their tokens on their billion tokens, right?
I can tell you the recipe of spending 1 billion tokens. Easy.
Hit
If you guys want to impress your manager by showing them that you spend $1,300 a day at billion tokens,
Opus fast.
very easy. You download Paperclip. It's an open source agent orchestration framework that you hire a whole company.
Oh, I heard about that.
Yeah, he came on the podcast. We talked. Paperclip has heartbeats for every agent. Like OpenClaw has a heartbeat. So all the agents have heartbeats, and they not that great yet at caching. So all the heartbeats are not getting like priced about the cash price. They're getting like actual price. Okay. So install 17 of these agents that do nothing. They all just circle jerk each other and ask you, hey, did you do anything? He's like, no. Did you do anything? No. They're going to install like a whole pyramid company of agents that do nothing but ask the other one, did he do anything? Within one day, you're going to hit 1 billion tokens. I'm just saying.
What frameworks do you have, right? Tools that you recommend?
That's really hard. I use all of them. Codex is a beast right now.
Right. With the UI, I mean, I forgot about all the plugin stuff. And then the automation. He just dropped something in the last couple of hours. I forget what was it, like the last day or two. I forget.
Plugins are new. Like they had MCP, but plugins as
What's
they
this
built
new
them.
thing they're coming out with? Some cloud thing? You can close your laptop and it just continues going? That's
Yeah,
cool.
like hand off to cloud, but we'll
Yeah.
see if that's gonna work.
Oh, I see.
What else? I don't know, man. I test all the tools.
Yeah.
You guys should come to the podcast.
Yeah.
AI setup is like a whole. Okay, so I have OpenClaw. OpenClaw is connected to Opus.
You think marketers soft skill function have an edge now with AI coding easier? Like marketers? Marketing bros?
Sounds like I need to go and try to fix that.
Oh, yeah.
Hold on, guys. I'll be right back.
Yeah. He's actually one of the hosts here, so he's got to go fix the audio issues too. I'm here showing up with my little lobster pet beast. I got these little yeah. Lobsters in the chat. Let's go, lobsters. They're cute. All right. Yeah. Okay. I'm having a moment right now. This has been so crazy. Sometimes I don't even know what is real life. I feel, especially in San Francisco, because there's just so much going on. So it's like SF energy is crazy, but also like the internationalness, right? Like people flown from all these countries, and even y'all here in the chat too, right? I mean, we got some people from Brazil, we got some people from Poland, we got some people from, SF, we got some people from Montana. Yeah, this is so crazy. Yeah, you guys are cooking right now. I appreciate everyone who's on the chat. I think we got like 58 people watching or something like that. That's what's up. So yeah, we're talking about SideChat. All right, if you made it this far in the stream, some people were asking about the Apple Watch app thing. So let me just show you some of the sauce real quick while we're here, because they're doing some demos right now, and I'm kind of charging my gimbal, so y'all see right here. So check this out. So what I'm cooking with, you see what had happened right here, is this thing. Yo, what's going on? Oh, I think my bad. Okay, cool. Let me see this right here. Let's see right here. Okay. Boom. Okay, so this is my thing called WatchClaws. And so what I wanted to do is, because I have a lot of agents, this was sort of inspired by Gary Tan, because they actually wanted to get Claude code happening on the watch, but I built it for real. Instead of doing that, you can actually have not only Claude code, but you can also have OpenClaws. You can check your codex sessions of what's going on. You can also like go to your like different ones, like doesn't matter what the IDE is. So it could be droids. You know, like when you have so many coding sessions, you don't know which ones you got going on, what percentage is done, what model's actually running. So then if you wanted to actually talk with them, you would then just tap this thing and say, okay, for codex and the PR review, go ahead and fix that tomorrow. I don't know what's going on. That shit's broken. And then it's like, send to the PR review. It'll set it off for you. If you mess up something, you want to just kill everything because like something is running and starting to remove all of your files on your file system, you can just literally hit this little button right here and just stop all, and then hit it twice, and it's going to stop all the sessions. Right now there's no sessions running, but whatever. So this is basically my app, but it is actually, right now I'm on the specs and designs, is not only for the watch. It actually works for your actual, that little bar that you have on your MacBook right here? Let me show you real quick. This will work on this little bar right there. So if you get a notification like one of the things is done, it'll expand out. And so I got this idea from Nachi. So Nachi is this like thing here, which basically acts like a little status bar thing. And so you can pop out the code window. So I'm gonna incorporate, this is open source. So because I'm doing all of the work for all of this,
I get this for free. So I just pop this in, and then I just talk to the gateway. And so I'll show you the architecture here that I'm building it off of. So the way that it's going to work from an architecture diagram perspective is, actually, let me see. I have it in, these are my Swift stuff. And this spec here, yeah, here's the spec. Okay, here we go. This is a better explanation of it. So the way it's going to work for the architecture diagram is something like this. We have to use port 1337 because it's lead, bro. Plain and simple, it's just lead. And so we're going to have like the watch app, the menu bar, all that stuff is going to be coming in here. And we're having like this plugin system. All of it's going to be open source. So that's going to be really crazy. Yeah, I was basically
Ray has been cooking.
Yeah, I've been cooking. Yeah, I'm gonna throw this in a Ralph loop, and then a billion tokens later, like by tomorrow, we're gonna be set up, bro. Yeah, man. Dude, huge shout outs to Weights and Biases. This is Alex from ThursdAI. If you don't know who ThursdAI, ThursdAI.com.
It's like Thursday with an I instead of Y.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's how I spell it.
THURSDAI. Yeah. Replace the Y with a I.
Yes. Replace the Y with the I.
Yeah, yeah.
We talk about AI every Thursday. We've been doing this for a while. If you guys like the takes, the explanations, the spiciness. What was it? Alex, what are your predictions for the next 3 months? Oh, okay.
That's a good one. That's a good one.
3 months is easy, okay? We know of 2 models from OpenAI and from Anthropic. Both of them are going to try to outshine each other. There's a reason why Opus right now is a little bit behind in capabilities. They're just training like crazy the next model. The rumors are the Capybara / Mythos model that they just released is going to be 2x on some parameters. 2x is insane. It's an insane jump. We don't know if it's like auto-regression, auto-researcher type Karpathy stuff, where like their model basically trains the model. If it's that, then we're cooked in the very best sense. If it's that, then we're like on a fast takeoff scenario, and whatever you think that the models cannot do right now, within the year they probably can do. 6 months, 12 months. 6 months, I fully expect clinical trials to be improved significantly by AI. I think it takes enterprise adoption 12 to 18 months to even start doing some stuff. HIPAA compliant enterprises is even longer than this. All of them are doing this. Eli Lilly and all the mRNA producers.
Like medicine research, customized medicine.
All of them are doing this. There was this like one story that I don't know if you told the folks about this guy from Australia that supposedly used ChatGPT to build a cancer cure for his dog. The story smells a little bit like bullshit, but it triggered enough people to say, hey, this is possible, and it's possible. Okay, if you have $2 billion, you can scan your whole genome. You have a team of scientists that can build personalized medicine for you. It's just not approachable for anybody else. I think within 12 months, given the rate of change right now, it will be. And I think it's gonna be dope. Personalized medicine, for example, is something I wait 100%. Not sick, but like I would love to be able to scan and like whatever.
The reason why personalized medicine, in a nutshell, is because they have to disqualify certain medicines if like one person in the group gets cancer or something, but the others don't, right? So, I mean, obviously you don't want to risk that because they don't have all that information about you. So AI being a big data, you can grab all the data, do these types of things, simulate these environments, do different studies. I mean, this is really high level. This is not exactly the technical breakdown, but I think the pitch is, it's like if you can get medicine that they can basically almost guarantee for this specific structure of your genome.
If AI speeds up and is able to predict not only protein folding, which is AlphaFold already doing, but protein interaction within a specific genotype, within a specific body, then it's the best case scenario. People shouldn't die of cancer. Cancer is a bug that we can fix, and I think these folks are all moving towards that.
Crazy.
Alex, what's your coding schedule like? 5 hours a day, 12 hours? Are you building apps or just trying tools? I don't have time to also build. The only thing I'm building is my process itself. So ThursdAI research. I built the ThursdAI website. You can go to the website. You can see. I'm trying to build automations so that I be able to spend more time on actually trying the tools. And I think, I don't know, if you go to the website, for example, I would never have been able to build anything close to this a year ago. And now it's like I have a skill and I have OpenClaw and I have like a Telegram, ThursdAI.news. Is ThursdAI.com available? Shit.
Yeah. Buy now for $3,000.
Fuck them. ThursdAI.news. So I don't code like all the time, but I do like some code.
Says, do you
The
think-
thing that I'm the most proud of, Ray, if you want to see, if you go to guests,
Yeah.
try to find yourself. I think you were on one of the podcasts. If you're
long
not
time
here,
ago,
then
yeah.
it's like a fuck up. But try to type
Long
Ray.
time ago. Oh yeah, Ray.
No, you're not here.
Okay.
But like take
Ryan.
Take Ryan for
Yeah, yeah.
example. Yeah. If you hit his name,
Oh, okay, cool.
not the if you hit the actual name, I think you're going to
Yeah.
this guy.
Yeah.
No.
Or Niston.
Okay. See, this is the
Oh,
type
the
of
regular
stuff.
co-host. Yeah.
Find the guest.
What's he called? The guy from Google DeepMind.
DeepMind, Logan.
Logan yeah.
Kilpatrick. Yeah. Let's take Logan. So you go to Logan.
Oh wow.
Take this link.
Yeah.
And then put it in an OG scanner.
Wow.
We have a dynamic like open graph tag.
Oh sweet.
That shit. I worked at companies before, at startups.
Yeah.
That didn't implement this.
Well, oh, right.
When you share this on Twitter,
Yeah.
you'll see like a custom thing of Logan's face and whatever.
That's awesome.
This was just a request for OpenClaw to go and build with clouds that work. I don't even know how it did it. I know for a fact that I used to work at companies.
Yeah.
Not used to. I'm still working at a company. Weights and Biases still doesn't have this feature. Alex with his OpenClaw built it in three prompts.
Crazy,
This is
bro.
absolutely crazy.
Dang.
You think marketers soft skill? Oh, you asked this. Yeah, sorry, Tom. Marketer soft skill functions have an edge now. The AI coding is easier. Everybody has an edge. Everybody who has an idea, everybody who has a unique niche, a specification, can now just go and build. I am an all-time software developer. I'm pushing 40. I used to be like a front-end engineer. I remember a world where a startup could not function without developers. Now, you don't necessarily need them to get an MVP off the ground. And so you can use your skills, you can use your niche, you can use whatever ideation you have. You can go and scrape other people's ideas and just use your marketing skills. So 100% marketing is a skill that AI will not take over. Some marketing things are dying. So cold outreach for emails, for example, is dead. It used to be that like all the emails are spam.
Yeah.
And one email that somebody wrote, like it looks good. I would like believe. Right now, like, you know, cold email as a strategy is probably dead. But some other ones, you can absolutely use the code. Yes, 100%.
That's amazing. This is so wild. Let's see what else.
Hopefully I answered. I'm going to go and eat something.
Cool.
Folks,
Yeah.
it's been amazing to host, to co-host, to join Ray on this live stream and to chill with all of you. Please check out Thursday. It's a work of love. Honestly, I'm very happy that Weights and Biases and CoreWeave are letting me do this every week.
Yeah.
I've been doing this every week. Every week
This guy knows
with
everything.
no stops
Off the
for
top
the
of his
past.
head, there's no notes he's looking up. He's just yapping right off the top of the dome. It's like
Yeah.
we live and breathe this stuff.
Professional yapper.
Yeah, but like
Professional-
actually knows it, like in and out. Like, you know, no one can come at him for like weights and all this really crazy shit.
And in 2 weeks, we're going to be in London on AI Engineer Europe.
Yeah.
With Wix and them. I'm going to interview like a bunch of Yeachan for the win. Let's go.
Yeah, I'm gonna try to figure out how we can get him on the live stream setup, so he
Oh,
can
dude.
then go live stream and like show you what's going on.
Yeah, I can hop on with you if you can invite me.
Let's go.
All right, cheers.
Cool,
It
man.
was
Cheers.
awesome hanging out with you guys.
For
Cheers.
sure. Thanks, man. For sure.
Okay.
Let's go. Cool. Excellent. Yeah, man. This is what we do. It's so crazy. Yeah, it's amazing what we can do. I think as a community and everything like that. Yeah, Alex is an amazing guy. I mean, super resourceful, and if you want to know what's going on, I mean, his show's perfect because they cover all the latest models, all the open source stuff, like any breaking news for like video models, like audio models, like regular coding models. He's definitely, I mean, I can't talk about him enough. It's so cool. But yeah, it's like, they're like family. So the only reason why I'm actually here and why this event is even taking place is literally because of them, right? So my putting out that tweet, him like saying, yo, why don't we as Weight and Biases also like figure stuff out? This whole event with like 100 plus people, plus all that pizza and everything is literally because of them. So yeah, huge shout outs. Amazing. So yeah, I mean, it's really important to keep your like, not like relationships are super important in general. Let me go here. Okay. This is much more chill. Okay. So yeah, it's super important to get your like relationships together and make sure you know talk with people and like connect people with other people, because that's actually probably the more important skill. Like if you meet someone and they know like they want to be introduced to someone, if you know someone, just connect them and magical stuff happens. I think that's kind of really cool. So there's a really good book if you're here. You should go check it out. It's from Keith Ferrazzi and it's called Never Eat Alone. That book really changed the way that I do business, and it's probably like the most important book, probably of my young adulthood, because I don't know how I came across it, but it came across my radar, and as soon as I started reading it, it's like a guy who does, I think, marketing / sales, and he's phenomenal at just connecting people. That alone was a way that you just is a way to be. If you're the connector, then you actually have like a lot of people in your network that can like not only help you, but then you helping other people is such a like positive goodwill, and it has more effects than you really realize. So you almost create ripple waves. Those ripple waves turn into bigger waves, and those waves just keep compounding in ways that you don't even realize, you know? So I think that's kind of my vibe anyways. Connect people, especially if they're doing cool stuff, do all that together. So yeah, obviously. And yeah, we need distribution-a-thon. I think it's not that, so distribution is useful when you're actually useful too. So bringing people together to be like building or doing cool stuff as like an activity is definitely a very high value add. So always try to do those types of, genuine connections, genuine business, like genuine problem solving. So that's just kind of what it is. How's it going, man? Are you okay? Huh? Do you still have time? Yeah, this is a live stream right now. We're still live.
Oh, really?
Yeah. So you're one of the. So you came from Korea. You're one of the co-hosts.
I'm from. 안녕하세요.
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 Yeah. How's it been so far, man? Crazy.
Yeah, it's crazy. It's insane, but it's getting better.
Yeah.
So is this live?
Yeah,
is
it's
this live?
Yeah.
Oh my god. 안녕하세요. 감사합니다. 사랑합니다.
사랑합니다.
This is Korean heart.
Oh, Korean heart.
Yeah.
Okay. I do it this way. Yes.
Yeah. This is it. Yeah.
Okay. How do I say? What word should I? What words can you teach me that I could teach?
It's like 배고파. It's starving. It means starving.
배고파.
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 Yeah.
배고파.
I'm starving right now.
I'm starving right now.
Really? Yeah.
And how do you say it? Was it I love you or what do you say the?
사랑해.
사랑해. Oh, 사랑해.
사랑해. That's right.
사랑해.
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah. Cool.
And then what do you say when you say this or something like?
It's just a heart. Yeah. It's like a finger heart in Korean.
Okay.
So 손가락. This is finger.
Oh.
Finger means fingers. 손가락. Yeah. This is wow. This is Korean.
Yeah.
Wow.
What are they saying?
Thank you for inviting Hackathon. Yeah.
Oh, that's so cool.
Yeah.
Amazing. Yeah, we have people from all over the world that are watching, from Poland to...
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Really?
Los
In
Angeles.
Poland?
Yeah.
Los Angeles?
Yeah.
That's
all
insane.
over, it's kind of New Zealand. Somebody was
New
here.
Zealand?
Yeah.
You're great, Ray.
It's really, it's crazy. It's like all the people all over the world. Yeah. I know,
cool.
yeah. It's good to sit down, huh? I agree. Yeah, it's kind of it's been a long day.
Yep.
Yeah, it's been super long, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, you should kind of, well, I should give you my seat.
Yep.
Yeah,
thanks.
hang out, man. It's kind of crazy.
Yeah.
Yeah, go ahead here. Yeah.
Thanks.
Yeah, so you guys came up with this original hackathon a month ago?
In Seoul.
In
right.
Seoul, and you did that. Seoul. It was basically 13 people, right, that were sleeping.
Yeah.
It was actually a sleepover.
Yeah.
So they started a hackathon in Seoul, Korea, and it was just to Ralph, basically do the Ralph Loaf and kick off. 13 people, kicked off at night. So you kick it off, then you go to sleep.
Mm-hmm.
And then they sleep on the floor, sleep on the couch, or where they have enough bedrooms?
Actually, they got into bedroom, each one. Wow. Yeah. Really big house.
Oh, wow.
Yeah,
okay,
we
like a
rented
mansion.
About like $1,000 per day.
Whoa.
Really. That was insane.
Wow.
It was great.
Yeah.
It was great venue. Yeah.
Whoa. And so they spent $1,000 per day.
Yeah.
And then they went to get a lot of people in the hackathon. I don't know what this is. Julie.
Welcome. Yeah,
welcome.
thanks.
Yeah. And they kicked off the loops. They came back in the morning, and then the winners. What models were used at the time? Was it just a month ago, right? So just
Actually,
like
it's
Opus
called Opus 4.6, right?
Wow. Okay.
And the winner used Claude code, and also he made his own harness. It's called Ouroboros. like eating its own
Oh, yeah, the
tail.
tail.
Yeah, the snake. Yeah, that's right. Actually, that harness is an open source from the GitHub. Then after that hackathon, it rise like
like viral.
Yeah. So it got star like over 1K. Yeah. Even after 1 week.
How is the Korean AI scene? Because we were talking to some people like the oh-my-opencode, and then they're saying something here. What's the?
What do you expect about AI thing or something? What do you expect? What do you expect most about AI? I expect I'm looking forward like yes, AGI.
AGI?
AGI, right.
Yeah, Alex was saying that he thinks that if this next thing comes out in like maybe 3 to 5 months from Opus, that it can be really, really, really big.
Yeah,
it could be kind of crazy. Yeah. And
you know the Dario?
Yeah, Dario Amodei, yes.
Yes, Amodei said it's gonna be they have already a huge model inside. I don't remember what it's called.
Yeah,
it was like,
I forget the name. Yeah. What are you most excited about AI right now? Yeah.
Right now? Definitely Ralph.
A long-running agents.
Yep.
Because Cursor has a long-running agent. Have you got to play with that at all?
Not really.
Okay.
I just tried I just tried with only CloudCode and Codex.
CloudCode. Okay. And then Factory AI has a thing called Droids. Their agent is called Missions.
Yep.
And so that can run for, I think they had one that ran for 16 days. And it keeps building the features and adding verifications. But with their harness, it also introduces like testing. And so it creates skills on the fly. So it keeps improving. Automatically improving.
Yeah.
So as it keeps going, it creates more skills that can help tune whatever it's doing. And so the longer it's been in your code base, like if you go add more features, a lot of the testing harnesses are already set up. And they have another thing called like agent readiness. And so it prepares your repo to be ready for AI agents. And it can give a score. What's crazy is like, you can also bring your own key, so you can use open models with it. So you don't have to use, you can use the Kimi model, you can use other models. And so it's crazy. Yeah.
But I think I should go.
Oh yeah, okay, cool.
The hackathon is running.
Yeah.
So
good to see you.
I think your question is too tricky.
Oh, no.
Too tricky. I think
he's gonna think on it some more.
Thinking, reasoning. I'm reasoning that right now.
Reasoning. Thinking tokens, yes.
I think open models not gonna be great.
Right.
Yeah.
Not enough throughput.
Yeah.
And it needs more intelligence and all the experts and all the weight activations. Yeah.
I think like OpenAI or Anthropics or DeepMind is gonna get more attention. They are getting better.
Yeah.
They're dominant.
They're gonna dominate. One of them, or maybe all of them, will dominate in their own way. Cool. Yeah. Thank you so much, Gubon.
Thank you so much.
Yes. Cool. Good to see you. Yeah. I'll see you. Cool. So he is also like low key famous in Korea for AI education. So his name is Gubong. Gobong. Yeah. I like to explain Ralph Loop to family by saying it's like sitting in front of those belt-driven food buffets and picking items you want when they come by. That's what Ralph Loop does to your app. That's a pretty good one. Like you have like an empty bento box. You're like, I know I want this much food. Now go figure it out and fill me up. I like that. That's cool. I don't think the auto research Karpathy guy won, but like, yeah. Let me go and see what's going on, because like I think that we're towards the last presentation. I was just kind of taking a break right now because also my phone is about to die battery wise. Let me see if I can get something going on. Yeah.
I got 20% left. I think I'm good. Kind of tired. Yeah. Let's see. Yeah. Hi. Thank you. I need a drink. Let's see. I need a drink. Oh, it's 7:42. Wow. Oh my gosh. Okay. Editing my droid in YAML, reprogramming it with Qwen3 Coder 32B. Yo, that's crazy. Hey, there's a script that someone wrote that you can use your own Claude code and OpenAI sub. You didn't hear it from me, and he's in my Discord. I'll see if I can ask him for it. Yeah, but we'll see what's going on over here. Let's see.
Here is, I'm talking about, right? Like, they decided to use plain web sockets or socket.io at a given point. So I can
Oh, this is Orchid.
the actual moment when they decided that, right? Like, so here I can understand why.
You probably can't
they
hear him right
made
now.
that decision. Maybe that's an interaction that, like, now it's completely answered to me instead of going like through other developers. And we can also monitor our team, or like understanding what our team is working in real time, right? Because everybody will have cloud code recording the sessions to the cloud. So I can start understanding, like for example, myself, all of the sessions that I have, and this is linked to the specific branches that I have open in my folder at that point. So I can start also asking questions, right? Like this, we created also a skill because we also have a CLI not only to record, but also to be able to see the data, right? So we can see the data, and I can list the sessions that have been recorded, and I can start asking questions.
Damn, this is
what
crazy.
type of questions?
Wow.
So let me show you just a quick example. I have this repo that we created earlier, the basic to-do app. If I go to the commits, I can see that the developer and the AI, they choose Drizzle for the ORM. And I want to understand why. If I go to the commit, I don't see any information about what was the decision making here. I would like to understand why didn't they choose Prisma? Because I like Prisma and that's what I'm used to. I don't want to learn like a new ORM framework right now. So I had a conversation here earlier, but let me just try live. So I initiated Codex, and I'm just gonna ask it, hey, for this to-do app, we're using Drizzle, I want to understand why, what was the reasoning, and please use the Orchid CLI to understand.
New OpenClaw update, let's go.
Hopefully it's gonna work pretty well. So basically what it's gonna do is gonna use the Orchid CLI to fetch the conversation, the session, and start searching for at what point or in which decision they choose Drizzle over Prisma. And then it can bring the exact point of the conversation, understand the reasoning, and then give me an answer.
So
So you can see
this is like the
here,
last, I think this is the last guy to present. And then what's going to happen is that they're going to go to the judges, and the judges are going to make the final decision on who won. I don't see my other friend who entered the hackathon here, and maybe they're back there or something like that. Yes. Yeah. Let's see what's going on. Okay. Cool. So it's crazy. What's going on, man? Yo, so how'd you do?
I don't know. I did not get selected as the top 5.
No.
Just drained now, very.
Yeah.
Tired after the hackathon.
You got like some tokens though, right?
$100.
$100, yeah.
I usually spend $10,000 worth of tokens.
Bro, wait. How many? What's your? How many billion tokens you got?
I don't have that much.
Yeah.
But I do get some tokens free.
What are you working on after the hackathon? Like, what projects?
I just have a startup. We provide consultancy services throughout the world.
Okay, that's cool, man. What's the name?
It's called AI Virality Solutions Private Limited, or Virality.
Virality?
Yeah.
Okay. Cool.
Virality.com. Just search it up.
Awesome, man. Cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll catch you later. I'll let you go to sleep. Yeah, some of these people have been. They've been here since 8:30 in the morning. Let's see. Okay, my phone is about to die, and I don't think I got any more juice left on my phone, so I probably have to shut down the stream. But yeah, before we go, this is the spot right here. As you can see, weights and biases, the whole office right here. We're kind of locking in. Let me answer any other questions and stuff that people have in the chat before I get on out, because I gotta actually not update my phone, but I basically have to get some more juice. We're still going, man. I got like 15, like my battery's about to die. So I'm about to sign up.
How long have you been live streaming?
I think we've been live streaming for almost 2 hours, right?
I think more, dude. I think you're going for 3+.
Oh wow, it doesn't tell me. Hold on, let me see. No way. Oh wow. Oh yeah, 3.5 hours. Dang.
This is locking in, folks. This is locking in. 3.5 hours.
This is easy, bro. This is easy.
Yeah.
We usually go like 8 hours. Let's go 8 hours.
8 hours.
No. I got to figure out the battery situation, because that's what I want to do next. Like, all day.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is it the phone battery?
Yeah, because I need a USB adapter so I can do the 2 mics with the thing. Yeah. I have one of those, but yeah, I'll get it hooked up and stuff like that. Yeah. Cool, man. Any last words for everyone here?
I will say, like, I'm done shilling the podcast. You guys have heard the shill, the spiel, the everything. The thing that I love doing most is countering Doomerism. I think Doomerism is absolutely like a death cult. It's a stupid way of living. I will say some stuff is scary. It doesn't seem like the folks who are following Ray Fernando live are worried about like the LLM calamities. But if you are worried, don't worry. Like, things are gonna be fine. Things are gonna be fine. Jobs will get lost and new jobs will get better. You guys are at the absolute frontier still.
Yeah.
Like, if you're listening to the new tools, if you're figuring out how to like utilize this for your benefit, you're absolutely at the frontier. Stay at the frontier. It's very important.
You come to SF a lot.
Yeah.
And sometimes people feel like if they're not here, they're missing out.
Yeah.
What's the vibe? You know, because like we're here with the live stream, they can kind of see what's going on.
Yeah, but even in SF, it's not uniform, right? Even if you're in SF, if you're going to hackathons or you're working in a frontier lab, that's also like quite a stark difference, right? So what I try to do, what you're doing also, you come to SF a lot as well. We try to be here for folks who can't be here. And we like expose it. This is why like the AI Engineer Conference that you and I were in, I'm trying to go there and kind of like live stream and like bring people on digitally. Many people are trying to do this. Like many people, Matthew Berman is one friend of ours also. He was a judge together with you as well. He has a channel for like breaking down some stuff. Like there's plenty of people who do this for you. You don't have to be in SF. Like, we're gonna try our best to make sure that this information is accessible, open, and publicly transparent.
Yeah, exactly. And you get to see what people are really building. It's not like airy-fairy demos or some viral thing. It's, I mean, you're seeing we talk to the people. This guy who was working on NASA firmware, never wrote UI in his life, was surprised he made this stuff.
Yeah.
The capabilities are...
It's easy now. It's both easy and hard. It's hard because there's a lot of stuff to pay your attention. So,
how do you not get overwhelmed with all the information? Because some weeks, bro, are fire hose. Especially because he has to keep up with the news like as a full-time.
I've built
just
this
every week, bro.
I've built this muscle because of the weekly show, because of the fact that I have to.
Yeah.
What I would not recommend is you open a podcast and name it after a specific day of the week. I would not recommend this. This sucks because you're gonna have to show up on that day of the week. What I would recommend is lately, very similar to how iOS and Android wars kind of ended up at the point where like both ecosystems are good enough, so it doesn't matter as long as you choose one and that's your ecosystem, you're fine. Like okay, there's one feature here, one feature there. Many people that I know choose a lane. Many people say I don't care about the OpenAI stuff. I'm done switching. I just don't have the time for this. I want to learn Cloud Code and its features, and like that's fine. Some people want to just lock in. This is one way to lock in. If you constantly keep switching from codex to, there's a benefit in that as well.
Yeah.
But if you're not necessarily have time for all this, you want to just execute, one organization is like lock into one specific thing.
OpenClaw.
AI distilled AI is a good idea.
Yeah.
Last week it wasn't a good idea. Claude was stupid last week and actually broke my preparation for my podcast for the first time in the last 2 years. It was ridiculous. I have like a very standard format for the podcast, executive summary and 10 bullet points of like important info. Motherfucker gave me 4. And I only noticed live on the show. And I'm like, ooh, Ooh. So I actually talked about it on the show. But like, yeah, Claude was very, very dumb. And so sometimes it happens. So AI to distill the AI is not that great. You still need to be humans.
Yeah. Cool. Jody is a real one. Still here on LinkedIn.
Jody!
Like, still.
Let's go. How do you help becoming overwhelmed by too much information?
Oh yeah, that's what we were just talking about for locking.
Yeah, distilling. And honestly, I summarized the most important things for the folks who follow me. So we try to do that. Ray does this in his own way. A bunch of our friends who are like streamers as well. We all try to do the same thing. There's plenty of information to go around actually. Like it's not like, oh, I'm gonna take all over the AI news. No, I'm friends with Swix from Lydian Space.
Yeah.
I'm friends with Ray Fernando from Ray Fernando.
Yeah.
You need a brand, bro.
Yeah.
But you own your brand. I'm friends with Matthew Berman, like all these folks. There's plenty of explanation to go around.
Yeah.
Which is like, yeah.
Yeah. Hang out, vibe out with us. That's all.
Yeah, and just vibe.
Yeah, that's all we got to do, folks. Cool, man. Yeah, I'm gonna
tap out
cool.
again. I already tapped out. I just wanted to check in on him.
Yeah,
like,
yeah.
Are you drinking? Are you like hydrated? Are you good?
Oh, it's like, do you have some more water?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Yeah,
What
I'll
you
get
do? What
yeah.
you
Okay,
do?
cool. Yeah. Sick. Okay, because I can't go in the staff fridge because I'm not staff. So, all right, folks. I think it's kind of cool. A little bit behind the scenes here. It's been really fun to hang out with y'all. I really appreciate everyone for joining the stream. I mean, you got all the real ones right now. You got to see a little bit of what it's like to be in San Francisco, hang out here at a hackathon. I will see if we can get some of the winners maybe back on the stream. Maybe I'll do like a live stream later on. But tomorrow, I'm going to be building along with AI. I have the Hermes model that's dropping. I have a video that's dropping tomorrow. If you're a member of my live stream, I'm going to publish it live right now. It's basically an introduction to what the Hermes agent is. So Hermes, for those who don't know, is basically an agent. If people were saying it's a Claude code killer, please do not believe them. It is literally its own thing. These are people who train open models. They actually made their own agent. And so they made their own agent because it helps them train their own models. We need 1 billion tokens, 200 on cutting it, yeah. So Hermes agent is really, really cool. And what makes it really special is that if you've ever worked with any local models, you have to change the parameters, the tool calling, you have to figure out what quantization, all this crazy stuff that you need, and then configure them as parameters just to use them. So when you use them in like the AI SDK, or when you're using them, yo, let's go. Huge. Okay, this is what we do around here. Weights and biases do not play. They show up with that VOS. That VOS. Oh, let's go. Yeah, so if you're a member, I'm going to drop that. It's for members only. It's going to go live tomorrow at like 12 hours from now. The upload just finished like while I was here, and I just got to get a title for it. But yeah, you get to learn a little bit about the Hermes agents, and I'm actually going to make it work with my OpenClaw. So I'm going to do a live stream tomorrow. I'll probably do an AMA style, and then I already have it sort of set up in my DGX Spark, but I'm going to walk through the actual setup again and just like tell you the command to run and do that type of thing. I will be having some dedicated videos on that. And so, yeah, the Hermes agent is cool because I want to play around more with local models. Not every single task has to use a big frontier model type of thing. So I can delegate smaller tasks, so that's what I want to discover a little bit more. The other cool thing about the Hermes agent is that it allows you to train all of the outputs. So by its own framework, as the way it's built, it captures like every part of the chats, temperatures, everything you need to train the agent to improve itself. So that's kind of the special sauce behind it. And that's the bigger part of open models, is that you can take a really good base model and then add some extra stuff on your own. So Cursor actually took the K2.5 and made their Composer 2 out of it, using these types of techniques. I'm totally new to ML, reinforcement learning, and all that good jazz. So I have no clue, but we're gonna learn together on stream. So that's kind of my goal, is to like AI code with you. I'm gonna, basically the goal of this whole thing with the Hermes agent is to have my OpenClaw talk to the Hermes agent. So you can have agents to agents coordinate with each other, and that's going to be really, really fun because I want to hand off certain tasks just to the Hermes agent. That'll be running either on my Spark or on my Mac. And I'll also explain a little bit difference of what the mixture of experts are versus dense models, what that really means, why certain models run really well on a Spark, but then why other models can run really well on a GPU that's dedicated, like our RTX 5090 or RTX 3090 or something like that.
And so we'll go into a little bit more detail like that, hopefully make it a little bit more approachable. I want to definitely answer some questions that people have had before I get off the stream here. So appreciate the great content. Today I learned about the Korean heart. You can just go like this, it's really cute. Droid missions event you stream, used all 24, 20, you guys are crazy. Hermes paperclip seems legit. That could be interesting too. Smaller tasks local is great, yeah. Implementing something from a spec that I had already built, nothing too important, ended up not using most of it, incorporated some parts of it. Oh, wow. Okay, cool. I think I missed out some of the other comments, probably from the different platforms, but definitely appreciate y'all. Oh. Okay, how many more percentage I got left? Okay, so my battery still says 15%. Let me get some water right now, because I think we can stick around for the winners. They haven't announced the winners yet. Oh, I'm so thirsty. My voice is almost dry. Have you heard of Superpowers AI? One of the founders said they'll be launching something that'll have a crush OpenAI. No, I want to learn about that. Superpowers AI? No, I'll have to ask Alex. He might know. Yeah, that's fire. Okay. Let's see. I don't know what's funnier. Is it just that like I'm currently basically in front of my computer and I'm watching the stream. This is like the thumbnail I got. And I'm watching you guys, watching me, watching you. And so that's what it looks like. So I use a thing called IRL Toolkit. That's kind of what's running in the background. And that's kind of how I'm able to see the stream and what's going on. And so when I'm here, I can see what's going on. And as of now, let's go see if we can find the winners. I also want to see if there's anyone who did any super chats. So I think there may have been one, right? Members only live stream. Okay, no. Let's. Oh, they're gonna announce the winners. Let's go. $3,000. Okay, let's go. I gotta get this water. Oh, they're gonna announce the winners. Let's go. Memori. Let's go. Memori won $3,000 in OpenAI credits. Holy smokes, let's go. And ChatGPT Pro account. 6 months.
All together. Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, so take a gesture. Yay. Woo! Thank you.
So Memori won. He's the guy we sat down and talked to. That's the guy who's from NASA.
Second winner.
That's crazy.
Second winner with the 6 months of ChatGPT Pro with 5K OpenAI API credits, $5,000, right?
Let's go.
So that's a very huge amount of money, right? Ooh, so the second winner is JSR.
Yeah.
Congratulations, JSR. And are there any other judges? You want to take a photo with them? Other judges? Yeah, don't you? Yeah, cool.
Let's go.
Take a photo.
6 months. GPT Pro. 5K OpenAI credits.
Pose, do gestures. Yeah, be happy. Yeah, great. Thank you. Woo. And we have the final round of the grand final winner of this Ralphathon San Francisco 2026 hosted by Team Attention. Yeah, so are you excited?
Yes.
You wanna win? Do you think you're gonna win?
I think all of the sort of people who, we were up against did really well, so I think,
You gonna distribute your API credits if you want?
Sure, why not?
Let's go.
Interesting.
He's chill. That guy's chill.
I'm gonna win for sure.
Such a competition, right? Okay, so let's just jump into the final result of the winner. So the final result of the winner of the San Francisco Ralphathon 2026 is Orchid. winner takes some 10K OpenAI credits with
They were the ones we were just watching.
Pro.
Wow.
Grand winner. So, do you have anything to have a remark?
No, thank you very much for everything. This was an amazing hackathon, and yeah, we learned a lot. We learned a lot from the experience.
Wow.
Yeah, super happy to be here. Thank you all. I enjoyed it a lot. It was amazing to see Ralph and Codex and Claude building all of this in such a short time. It was very stressing not to be able to touch it, but it was pretty cool.
Wow.
Thank you. The community was great. Thank you for organizing this, and we'll keep burning tokens.
Burning tokens, yeah. Yeah. Let's go. See, they burned tokens. These guys burned so many tokens. That's crazy. So yeah, I'm gonna see if I can get them on the stream right now. Yeah. I'm gonna get the other microphone so that way I can interview them. Put my water down too, because I have this big water thing in my pocket. Where did my microphone go? Did I drop my mic? I must have dropped my mic. Is my mic on the floor somewhere? I don't know where my mic is. Okay. I think I dropped my mic on the floor. Oh yeah, I did drop my mic on the floor. Okay. So what did they build? I'll see. They basically built something that can update itself, like, and generate software. Yeah. Here we go. Let's go see if we can talk to him. Yeah. Yo. Let's go. Yo. What's good? Oh my God. Crazy. This is nuts. Yo, what do you think, man?
You're still live.
We're still
Are
live.
you guys still here?
Yeah, I got 10%. Let's go.
10%.
Yeah.
Ray's going.
What do you
They're
think?
taking a picture. Go take a picture with like
Yeah.
all of them. They're gonna go woo. It was great. Very unique hackathon. It was dope. People wearing the OpenClaw stuff. It was really dope. This dude is from Japan.
Japan.
Doing some cool things.
Let's go.
Japan. Yeah.
Yeah.
Japan representing in the house. And yeah, it's dope.
Let's go.
Thank you all for hopping in on the stream with Ray.
Crazy. These are all the people. These are all the winners. It's the winner's circle.
Podium and take a photo together.
Oh, the claw hands. Yeah, go get the claw hands. Let's go. Blowing it up.
What kind of gestures are we gonna do?
That's funny.
So, you Ultra, you said word.
Yeah, yeah.
So, highlight a keyword to oh-my-opencode to move like a ultra thing in Google.
Ultra think. Yeah.
So,
when he says ultra, let's say word, okay?
where we try? Ultra? Yeah, this is, yeah.
Okay, so we have to come in the front, and let's take a photo together.
Yeah. Oh yeah, the photo. Yeah.
Let's just closer together. We are
Yeah.
all friends.
Come here, come here. Please come here.
So we all the friends.
The
so
class.
let's get closer to pretend to be all the families together, right?
Oh yeah. Continue.
What?
Okay. Hey, how's it going?
Yay, come here.
Hello.
Yes.
So
Okay.
let's take a practice of this. So Ungi, when Ungi says ultra, let's say work, okay?
Oh yeah. Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
One, two, three. Ultra! One more time. No. 1, 2. Give us ultra. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Ultra. Yeah, let's go.
Let's go. Nice. Ultra everywhere. Yeah, ultra. What do you think, man?
Thank you for joining this event.
What do you think about the winners?
I really like them, so
Yeah.
they work.
Awesome. So what does their thing do?
Sorry?
What does the winners thing do?
They actually made some kind of memory layer.
Wow.
And I think we all agree that they are doing pretty clever stuff.
Oh.
So we gave them great scores. And the
Oh, wow.
second winner was like...
Yeah?
Yeah, second winner was like JSR.
Oh, okay. Hold on. My my magnet. Yeah.
Second winner was like JSR. They have he actually created a real-time bug fixer using AI on the runtime, like a client side.
Really?
Yeah, I thought it was like pretty clever idea to
Yeah.
inject JavaScript to fix a bug in real time.
Oh my God.
Yeah. So
What?
they
So in real time, it can fix the bug.
Yeah. Just like how Sentry gets the bug reports, cuts
Yes.
the bug reports. Instead of them, they send that ton of stuff to the AI and let the AI to fix them in real time. On the client side, I think.
On the client side, so
Yeah, yeah.
JSR will fix the.
Yeah.
So it can understand the environment and then fix it.
Yeah. I think it was pretty clever idea.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. And the third place one was.
Third place was Memori.
Uh-huh.
Also another one for memory system, but he instead has lots of messenger integrations.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow. Amazing. A lot of good competition, huh?
A lot of good competition. Happy to be here.
Yeah. That's cool, man. So what are you gonna work on next? You're gonna put it into these in your app and your.
Yeah. Actually, one of the judges, oh-my-claude-code guy, really liked the memory system, and maybe he's gonna talk with him very
Nice.
soon.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Very cool. Sweet. Excellent.
Sweet.
Yeah, it's good to see you.
See you.
Yeah. We're still on a live stream, yes. I think I dropped my microphone. I'm looking for my little mic thing, so yeah, that's what's up. This is crazy. Yeah, this is the vibes right now. I haven't even been able to catch up on chat. So yeah, that was basically the thing right here. JSR, yeah, I don't know if that's the right JSR one. Jam Saltman. I don't know where the JSR repo is, but yeah, I gotta find it. I also gotta figure out what my magnets are. I don't know where the JSR thing is. Okay, so yeah, I gotta find my magnet. I think I dropped it somewhere on the floor. Okay, cool. Anyways, cool. All right, thanks, y'all. I think, yeah, crazy stream. A lot of really cool projects. And I will probably see you guys tomorrow. Make sure we lock in. We'll do some AI coding. Yo, what's going on, man? What do you think?
Well, it's amazing. It's amazing event, and I really love the live vibe here.
Yeah,
The most funny thing is we just have connected across the Pacific Oceans, and two cities host the same event with the same amazing vibe, same amazing speakers and the participants.
Yeah.
That is the most important thing that I believe so.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
Cool,
Connecting
man.
builders.
Yeah. Are you excited?
Yeah, of course I'm excited.
When's the next one?
Sorry?
When's the next event?
Next event? Oh, let's just do quickest as much
Stay
as
tuned.
possible.
Yeah. where can they find you?
Yeah, so true.
What's your handle and where can they find you?
Just a real secret Jin. So RealSigridJin. So this is my Twitter handle.
Go check them out.
Yeah, thank you.
Cool. Awesome. See you guys. Awesome. Let me see if I could